Church Munina Sononkon. Church Amo Edimunina Eba Ras Media so. Abusia and some Eho. Somewhere about who Daurupa. Abusia Braya Champong. Eja Aton camp. Eja them. Na Bra Champon, there be a can say. Or just wait to me in the Sika Ato a Nipanim dear. You can't want it. None your ho. And a Bra Champon. On one Kasani region. Yes, sabio, the eastern region. Ampis or more, 23. Ampis or more district, eastern region, yet 23. And ye were ampis or more parliament, and ye were more former ampis, and I'm so many parliament. On 23, or one yet say, emu edu enum ababon, tembe di cresse di afa Dr. Bawumia. Temiepa. The Atiana say emu edunum, which is 15, good 15 numbers of ampis. Abe declare say they are for Dr. Bawumia. Now, Omobeka asem but I champion tea wedja. Or the Nekoko swasem, and then the boswasem, and then the sika wenya at the bebo rough, ampis so. Now, the Sibra. The leader of that group of 15 people, I have friend Mr. Mafo, or Tisemia. Wababon did in Semino Beguja. Etre say, Brian, who see a decree for Dr. Bawumia Wedja. And to acquire press conference. Sansubuya Nimtiaka home. Bra, in 7 more than a pie, and I know better Sansem Nina. They were tear everything. Ye free Honso and ye cocaine de Japan a camp. Nano papa no copium. Ewa America. And kwasi akeka na etano 7,000 workers. People are threatened. A man for so mbekumobi why ye beka no so ho asem ewo ha ne. Wenti amaba ha ne ntitena se na tweme. Na ye me prepare nsem we mu nyina. Na ebre so dura mo akwanya na so wafre a kire wadwen. Kan wo se ha eye Ras Media GH. Meso se wunya subscribe ya na wa subscribe. Wo subscribe we so a now don't say Asia Domano so said the be am ba life wa ubenyan kai bosoma ba na one me abaye show no o hwe me ewo Facebook so abomodo na follow me na sabi o share video no na video no nkɔ na YouTube so sa fansa esi Adomano so na sabi o share video no ma me na yentumi nkɔ yanim. Well, let's come back to the studios na yemedi nkomo me chia mi wi ajaben me chia mi wi Sani Mohammed face of channel. Me dana pia me chia ye pa mo akwaba me panyini Samuel ekwasi asamoa me chia bra panyini Samuel okuno won so me chia wo me osei Anthony mo akwaba na sabi wona wo Facebook nso Maurice Amas me chia ye pa na me dana pia more love to you man me da se pass waba. Now let's get deep into the situation here because bra yes say yankopon ehira wo na wo hira wo de otamfo no be ye bia no ontumi mfa nse wo. Abusiafo Bra Acheampong na ebedi kaka na ho asem mewi ane ye de kɔ Kennedy agyapong so ne fie ɛwɔ so jadam. Abusia Bra Acheampong dwene sɛ obetumi asɛe amanfo or their loyalty no within the sika. Mewi atwimasi adi nkra mo akɔ abapa. Bra Acheampong why year before Minister of Agric. Now we are Juma on the defense ministry pen. And I'm Nado Danko Kufuado, na ban so no Mr. Kebadi, my mammy Mwako Abapa. Now what di Nanado, any Dr. Bawumia, or more buying some faswo, and the Kusu Mwakwaba. One man what di or Mosom faswo say cho. Yevra Kufa buying so what di some faswo say cho. And dear Nancy. MPP amanyoko decide so won beye we ya one ne Kennedy Japan mo se na e wo sika e beye sei bra na de wo wi ase wo so ti wi ase a won ti ase ne say money is a good thing. Sika wo no e ya de papa sika e ya de papa na mom sika ntumi nto wi ase ne ma nyina animonyam sika ntumi nto wani because enipa wa ho fama animonyama edema wo no sika entumi nsɛ no ɛna sika so ntumi ntɔ ɛma wo adwene da wo team your intelligence sika ntumi ntɔ da wobɛtumi ɛde sika to take it akɔ aburokyire aba wobɛtumi de sika atɔ aduane papa no adi no wɔ fie but wadwene na ɛda wo team no sika entumi nsesa no ma wo sɛ woyɛ ahobraseɛ nipa a yɛwo na woyɛ ahobraseɛ ni a sika entumi nkɔtɔ ahobraseɛ mfa mmerɛw ansi sɛ wowɔ sika mpa wobɛyɛ too much arrogant wanhwɛ yɛ kura wo mu nipa ɔdɔ a yɛwɔ ma yɛde wowɔ ɛma nipa sika ntumi ntɔ saa ɔdɔ no akoma mu dɔ ɛma nipa wo sika wontumi mfa ntɔ agye sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ Nyankopɔn de ma wo bɛna bra acheampong fili sɛ with ɔno ne sika a wanya no he can command every MPP leader in the eastern region. Temiye pa. Bra acheampong all of a sudden or believe say the eastern region as a region no he's the most resourceful and rich man in MPP or eastern region. And to a fan fara say because of free eastern region. Na owo sika na wabua some politicians in the MPP party or eastern region citizens and as eastern region at the share no he can command on them, he can decide for them, and he can tell them where they should go. But abusia ewom say yesi yewo opanyini yewo akura nyansafo na panyin kwase ate ase enokre but yewo akura kwase ano na panyin nyansafo nso no na oho dada. Enti bra acheampong I believe say the eastern region there, the frontliners, the most powerful men in the party called MPP no omo nyina omo ye ne de bra emna me no ka say enipa mienu pe there is only 2 MPs omo di bra acheampong achi in his own region asem ni nyina no na ye nto ase eh Nyankopɔn Nyankopɔn aba omi asom no eso. Nyankopɔn aba omi asom no oso pa. Nyankopɔn aba omi asom no ne mo eturu. Na bra acheampong mi se wato mo awie adenti o se wabo amanfo before. O te second na Japan omo adwene ne se so far as ya wabo obi amananya majority ababa member of parliament yabo MP yabo sabio minister ma wanye sika no o believe say those people na obo mo in a way no they are still his babies. And Brian say nipa 23 na mo ye former MPs and actual MPs or more eastern region no wa one to abama no wa asem enti obehunehuna wo na busia MPs in eastern region omo panyina odi omo anim aye friend Mr. Mafo or Tesemia and sema watu abro bra acheampong no hu he will learn sense TNT ansem we nyina kofa bae nsem e kofa bae ni nyina ne se bra acheampong ete se yewura ba omia e ba eastern region aba be ye ne to ene ne campaign yes Brant ni fie say they are going to do fanfu for yewura ba omia eti he don't care ye kujira mo ayehwe ya na eastern region MPs no 15 abegina ho aye press conference straightforward say yeah dear we are for Dr. Bawumia bra ade che ya bra acheampong say MPs 15 no omo ye nipa 15 I always tell you say some of these people almost they want to come and lead this party no politically no they are even unwise. They are unwise. I salute you. They are unwise. Nana ya me mo akwa papa. Den time get so mo ye unwise. How can you say a former MPO say actual MPO or ye one vote? How can you say that stupid statement? Are you fool? Because every constituency MP na owo ho ada se oye former MP anas oye actual MP no kai hu say constituency no he is the commander of that constituency in his party side. Enti so no MP no ba bonten say or support candidate bia fatu timusa anya hwe no 70% of the delegates omo ho no they are all going with him because na aboa won ono no enam no so ma omo nso omo nya ginabere bi e wa abrabom. But because of unwise and uncivilized politicians binom omo nya opportunity omo nya sika omo dwene say everything is about money no, they don't think about this. Enti acheampong abedidi omo atem say what is say out of 20,000 delegates omo eastern region no emu 15B said they are not supporting him. No more sign craft friend phone so say na ye fanfu. Mr. Mafuti or see there be antenna. Brian, you are making mistake. Papa say he spoke to acheampong. Abra or Trinity say he wants to contest. Okay, say Papa there be you are doing a wrong thing because we are not going to support you. We have Dr. Bawomian and we are going with him. Acheampong so on Tasio Uska. He can what? Sponsor people to vote for him. Bra, the Akosere say Brian, ne camp ho, I say, MPs mienu pe, and a dinachi. Out of 23, 15 year Dr. Bawumia, they are aka 8. 8 no mono, mienu pe. 8 no mono, and nipa mienu pe ne di Brian chi, eti Brian kwa now by. Now, I want to walk you through. I want to walk you through how everything started. Miria, Namabo, the leader of the 15 MPs now, almost your more through support. And I'm a Dr. Bawomian, my bonny numan samachro. Now what ye and summer where you go about, which will tell you say, acheampong is an arrogant person who doesn't respect nobody. Say and ansem no shas here. Nsem no say ne shas here. On the 24th of September, and at the MPs in the Eastern region, omo kan same way, edit two more. Maybe I like a video na share, comment na yen kan comment so ma. Who subscribe and our subscribe, or do sa esi adomano so. Mo amen kan fu maybe Ankama Kofi Evans. Ono na ye the first person obe subscribe to this channel. Say a member. Members na bosumi bia obo support channel way with some money. He is one of the first people. Odikan yes no. Ena menu suntuno. Mimia Ankama Kofi. Bosumi bia or support me with some amount of money. Once no ube to me ayesa. No ane say ube ko subscription button no chen ho. Don't say yakire join the community. Okreke soa ebe pushua na why your unnecessary necessary registration ni nyina. Uye ni nyina wia bosumi bia no wonso no betumi contribute kakra e de aboa Wras Media yadwuma ya ye na me yadwuma no akugina na nan so saa so na me de aseda kese nso ma Richard Kwara ono so enra e na o join saa community way Kwame agyapong so I joined like a month ago and I said appear Kubin so I joined for almost 6 months ago. Miriam Evans there is about 10 months ago, and I also subscribed here for the first time. And also, I will hear me. So, person support to Wras Media, your platform where you can do it and you can become part of the family. Now, let's go back to what we are talking about. 25 September, and at the MPs in Eastern region, or the same way, Ebetuja, Yenko, Ninkonko, TMSCA.
Members firm in their resolve to support his candidate. Yeah, can you say? Yeah, MPs are Eastern region. Yeah, 23. Out of 23, we move 15 MPs. And a tie Dr. Mambu Babuyechi. Now, the time the Chini said, you say, only Obia MPP yet me a ton Amagana for all these years. Wabaye second to the president, and I say Wabaye vice president, Wabaye running mate. 3 times. I am vice president 2 times. It's a common in a brain. Obi anywa ye ka say amanyosem obi a obetumi e de party na power na watumi abu omani ya omu bie no ba oni no ese the dam senti yen 15 ye wo MPBA sorry ye wo eastern region ha ye 23 emu 15 ye na ya ke ho bom se ye tie Dr. Mahmoud ba omiachi na wapon to Frank ano waji to me no Ediama MPP 2028 and I'm saying yes let's say bia wachia ha bia wa bia omenke ombo if say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and MPP see ya de ko abatwa e betumi awi ni abatwa no ye nya president ye da mase nyamisha mu.
Yes, enti we and a yensema the MPP MPs in Eastern region at the Beto Abontain, which means that they are body. Papa no ojina hono, ono na friend Mr. Mafono, ono na the leader of these 15 MPs. Eyasebo. Now, let's move on. What happened? MPP for delegacy that a declare we, you know, and see how. Ena omo ankasa so omo na omo gina yiwura mafonachi said they are behind him, they are with him no so no omo so ba bonten ebe kan sem we yentie na emna sesia
time no day nti after so say how you betimi apo bia anya no Ghana fanen na ya ton nti ko biem na wo san kwa brewani biem se ne de abani adalo de na anya yi afi mu fa yen kwa dwindwin sana omampani je kufu abreso yeye sana na nado dankwa kufu ado abreso yeye saso ne dise bo Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na me ya domo 2028 ebe yi ama
de hu ye de ko 2024 bibia nsesan ente no ana me busum me lensi me nsesan today me hu 2024 and the MPP ni bia hu 2024 and the ene wo so pe bibia wo hu ni 2024 wo kodi ba wo me echi e ho na bibia nsesan
o sha Dr. Baumia na ho keka I dey call the last election and the results are by no I try say signed the ko bi ma e betumi adi nkunim easily pa manunti na yen aye wo epu man time ha yen 15 na ya kan ho abom say ye dey ahoden betai Dr. Mahmoud Baumia echi e did say yes am so aye colleagues na aka no in the other regions and so by yes and a party for ni na so any aye adwen ama ye nyina yakoto aba 31st January ama Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Yes, enti utia the Eastern region MPs no nsem say no mo de ba bonten ma me o kind Florence mo akwa aba e wo TikTok and nsem say no mo de ba bonten de beto dwa say e wom so mo free Eastern region there e wom say sabio bra acheampong e ye omo kromo nipa but they are not with him because the omo hu ni Dr. Baumia mo no and the outcome of the results now Dr. Baumia de ba bonten no they believe say in 2028 you know winning this general election will be something very easy for MPP if we introduce Dr. Baumia. And your message, now you're very, very simple, more conscious, and more intellectual. Bra, then you see, you say, Papa na ye friend bra champo team message you one funny year. He felt betrayed. He felt to say, a man for a day, a man for a ama. So he came out and Oshasia, Eki can sema and sem fata, edit champagne forward. Now, I want you to listen to Asema Bra Acheampong Kai. Na fa kwa adwendwenem. Dwene ho ko adwendwenem. Na bisa ho say, can this man be a leader of groups? A group made over 6, 7, 8 million people. Huh? What do you think? You see, you want to be a leader. You said that you want to be a leader. You said you want to be a leader. And more constituency, almost more political men like you. Almost they don't support you. Ubaya Osiwebia, Adentia, why do they have to? Why can't they choose somebody different from you? Entiwebia. Uba Bontina, Wabatu to be the Amani or more. Tie.
This is 20,000 delegates and the 12 hour. This is the region. 20,000 delegates. And then I'm 15. And then I'm 10 now. But also we 15 anyway. Say, I'm FIMA, Chelsea, and so we almost support to move from. We departed down in the top 15, 1-5. So almost support to move from. I'm going to press conference. Now, I want to say, I'm going to almost after every.
Me and Sawatini you. Will be also a big politician. Our being our man your same. Me, my men only than Yakum Mwakaba. Also, what being our man your same. What the hell? I'm a sabio. I'm peace. Our more control constituencies. Abba Bontian Bekanchiro openly say they are not for you. What does you can say? Only just 15 people, 1-5. And the first, other say acheampong anti-politics I say. And on one kasa nim se ni sika na wahye for no reason. Entini order than ho na o give you moral. O give you moral to his people. Because entisadia now I think said the man is actually confused. Because many times Mitaka said the fact is any padodo politicians now our more party no more as a priest. Catch Rajaman. Where is the part? There be a mechanical has said Encrofona omo Miriam Johnson that is saying Encrofona omo the frontliners of the party FNM people omo big men or more party no. So munyina atu edi leader be an aspirant to be a chair. I was say bibin to team say we dan as aspirant no on in the benwene. It say the constituents and the delegates no they are all working for the MP. The majority mean keso munyina if ye bia kwakuma no if ye bia kwakuma no enti e betime possible say there are some delegates omoni MP ni adwene. But I can tell you, say, about 70% of all the delegates in every constituency, they are in line with the MP for that area. But you tell me, pa, and it's also MPP anymody. Now still, you cannot understand the meaning of being an MP. That's a who underestimate the power of an MP in a constituency. I mean, the power of an MP on delegates in your constituency. Now I think say you need to go back to school and learn some sense before you come out. Say you want to lead a party called MPP. And the Brian Bettner how can answer moya me to me it is a bogus statement. Emfatano enseno. Enyenyan sakasa no beka ye no. Asem no beka ye no. He was in one way or the other also what? Underestimating, young can say the MPs. Essential, ebe show more bufu more say even if they wanted to go and vote for their own without not even campaigning much for Dr. Bawumia Kurana, and let the brand waye, it will convince them to go out there and work fully against you. Me say, agyapong camp, any acheampong camp, yamutu. Yamutu to the sense to say they don't have the character of a leader, emotional intelligence, patient, humility, interacting, listening to people to understand what actually they mean. They don't have that. Omodiani said, I have the money. I can buy you whatever you want. So in one way or the other, because I have the money, you cannot decide differently from me. And that is what is going to put these guys in deep of the sea. They will sink. They will sink. Now, they will come out here to cry, say they have lost a lot of money. They will come out because how they are conducting themselves, they are even losing respect from many people because of the way they are conducting their what they call campaign. Now, Brian Bejina Hobayer and Juan Kesem no. And then the man, Mr. Mafuja, I say, Brian, Bra. Now, mention Unyan Sanka Krase, Usikano, it can never and ever buy the dignity of an honorable MP, member of parliament. How are you conscious? He's not thinking about you. He's not thinking about your personal interest. He is there to do something that will benefit his constituents. And papa na ba bonten na nsem na Mr. Manford be go abonten no mu edrupa. Bra acheampong ye ko declare mpo na ote ya na ni koko apai. Na nsem papa ba be kan sesi ama me no nyina yatie. I think say this man ote a energy so shutu ne ho. Odi yenko ne nkoko tie nsem a Mr. Mafo, editor abonten. Yentie mra sesia.
From Eastern region. Na yenhwe dwumadi amokodi wo Eastern region. Mrashimujafo do saying Eastern region because when you say Mrashimujafo wo Eastern region, miti afacha me 23. And yet say out of 23 no, Mrashimujafo 15 declare support for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Sa pepepe enetia na because if you say videos about pictures about if you original ho no kromu nurudu na obi aka say Mrashimujafo no na omo ye 15
yo when Mrashimujafo a declare ama yewura Bawumia ewo Eastern region ye 15
but video ni na wo no almost you count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 Joma who 15 no
yeah ijina ho na ye 10
okay
maybe I can kan nche da nye
okay
we math school
no literature
literature crowd in kan
say critics na ka say avon mujina ho 1 2 3 4 5 6 7
10
okay
10 enane yo
but do was na declare
ma me no de nya akome mu akwa papa momentie the analysis ne nsema papa yi oba beka e de akire bra acheampong ene ne nkrofo
for Dr. Alhaji
15 na de wo munie 15 no emu mienu yewura kwasi akwa ona bo kwasi akwa one e odan Mrashimujafo mi ame wo faase no yewura Alexander Ejare kedem rashebedwani omo mienu no omo ni Ghana ha
okay
parliamentary duties edi omo etukwan ntu omo ni ha nemom meeting a ye conference call 15 ni nyina participate and the coordinator no a wo eastern region ma Yeraba Omia no eno so eba meeting ni bi nti 16 people and ye meeting no obi agitu mu say yenye press conference no na yemmo amansan amane say yenyina yeta Dr. Mahmoud Bawomi achi enti we mienu ni fi ma na ka 13 no ye wura koko asante na ne maame ho dodo no nti no osre kwan se ontumi mma ukuada no
okay
because only oba wa ofie na ne maame ho dodo no ese ohwe ne maame enti ase ewom yewura dukoforiata ono ye fante akwa koko asante etiwa west MP ena dukoforiata enso fante akwa south MP ono so no yare enti ne ukuada no ono so entumi anyeden amba bi yewura asiedu bekwen protozua ono ewo suhum ono so na unse one asante the former MP ewo court over
me point Steven Idan also mo akwa we say entie video no na sisi a
seat no suhum seat no nti na ukuada na ese okọ court nti ono so antumi ama enu nti na ese nipa 3 omo de no mo Ghana ha ba bibi nti omo antumi amba bi omo na omo enka ho omo na amba bi but apart from omo 3 na omo wo hanso bibi nti omo antumi ama no omo aka nyina no na omo ho bi
okay
nti ni nya enipa 10 ana yede wo ye press conference na press conference ya sama ye kan ye ni yes say so hwe nipa num no a e pre to me no a se ye ka obi a owo amemmo mu suehu Yeraba Omia ye ka obi a watumi asua amemmo no so no di ye adwuma nso a Yeraba Omia ye ka obi a oye popular anase amanfo dodo no enim no as ye ton no a ni ton no enye din Dr. Baomia ye ka obi nso a sabe ye ya dwimu no na dwimu abo bepa ewa memmo enhihye ho a Dr. Baomia ye ka obi a sabe ono so o wa ho brase o pe nipa sem o ke nipa ba ne ho na o pre enipa mpuntuo nso a Dr. Baomia enti se o kasa niema we nyina bomu a na ni nyina no ekokosi Dr. Baomia so dia ene na yenso ye de ye ho eka Dr. Baomia campaign ho ni aka kire delegate wo eastern region nyina se omoma yen koso na yen support Dr. Baomia because ono na owo de ebema yetumi awini power 2028 yasema ye kan ya no me kan no brofo na me wie no me kan ni twi yasema ye kan ya no
right so mrasuja for 8 aka wo eastern region no what do we need to for more he
obi ane na baby mienu pe na wo Brian ho
top 23
mesi mienu pe mi na me ka kire o mienu pe
tieni yo your own region am peace mienu pe na di wachi ask yourself why
se me bo a wo mo a wo ho no mo mmeka mienu pe Yerura a friend is saying Kwame Abuaje obi afa no oluwa o wa asene man so across
oluwa
yes any ono ani edi camp eye OPK opoku ansan owo eye
adentia o kasa with authority say
na me kasa with authority so a hwan we hu ni wo se one nenenam hwan apart from aboaje any OPK nso kra no eye apa na okwabruchi no okoye ne 1212 enti no mienu pe na wo
pe na wo bread
mienu pe no kra no wo so pe mienu pe odukra no wo de nam say wo nkofo di wachi
right
I had to say the me kase Dr. Baumia be wini wo abetifi sa no no ko ejuma we are serious business o anya agro ni edi
na den
107.5
on nimbre
onye serious
no on nimbre because nimbre anya sa on nimbre anya say na o cancer look few who contested flag bearership against vice president who ja no ato now we move from constituency to constituency omo declare ma the opponent no you are attacking them one by one who come constituency no akọ cancel no omo so the responded to so now can na akọ give and take into obi a who president edi no afi de woni MPs no na edi ano baba e nti wo be di ano baba e be wie no na wo opponent no o twan no jan ho a
nja so di agro
ordinance na wani abre a wo be we because tio me wa come constituency na kan wo ma boaje so wa se wo rekura de kakra bi na motwa nsem akese o kan sika wo de be ma om ne ade enti anigye ne de be ba na se
oso betue sika
aba oso be mo mu sika o da shu you see omo entu ne fu yi
Byran champo
ya omo tu ne fu nso a ontie futuo na munsom eni nipa omo tu ne fu a ontie na nya sa ye be wie no wan hwa na wanya shock we say ofre Dr. Baumia ka kire ne say fear delegate de omo ne wo ye wa chiase no eno wo na ese e ka kire o say you have to fear the delegates in a chiase because yodom no mo ye wo omo wie omo be ato atwene baby I am and I say aba ne ye beto bro
on that to Byran champo to baby
oh me say ye beto aba no ye to aba ne wie a and obehu level etie na ye say
ba so mo nto ma
no kopɛ epo sia
mojaba ona bo say omo nto ma no a ye boje ne so no moje so no na efiri he
na ono kra mpo say nkofo na omo akogina ho openly e declare ama Baumia openly ema obia ate ye koyin so no
o se na mo ye tempe
na 10 no ye pe a nka mienu unya 15 no emu 4 kura ka wo yi no a nka press conference a wo be ye no krum ha ebini we are members of parliament your constituents for ato abaman yakọ primaries enipa 15 no emu mienu pe
nti wo mumra se bejafo na wo yi
na se asem no okay bro yini se wote ebu a wo mini de he enipa 20,000 na emu 15 pe 15 no am ye here for
they represent the 20,000
good 15 members of parliament 33 constituencies in the eastern region emu 15 MPs 15 constituencies ese wo muta Dr. Baumia chi a wo se de wo address wo mu to say wo me school boys
wo address delegates in say school boys
enye delegates ni yen MPs no o do ba sa boneti ebio na se wo ye ne sa o colleagues crown for buo ma wo na edien na wofo se obenya wo
right obi tie wachiri facha me pacho chama mafo facha me obi tie wachiri de obeka ni se enka de pa wo fi a eye
efie be mu a ebron he efie be mu a kan fie kro no kire mu minti
ya so
bron ne twi ebron twi na moka nti de meka no wo kan meti ase nti so twi na wo kan nti efie be mu ne na adepa no wo no
obeka se oh na so obi free eastern region no so be prima mpanyin di bre wo mamu a enka ya ye wo eastern region ayem rashe dwafo a ye represent constituency no yen support no na ye so ye mantam mpagya edenti a aye din se ye be support no
efi se ye wo obi ohodeda ena adwuma we a ye di no enye ebusuasem enye namfosem brand acheampong oye madamfo oye minu akuma menino we go way back ye dim komo hwe ebra oye na dwen so pese obegina na ye nto abama no obegina se opese obeye presidential candidate no ofre na mfofo a ene nam no ye nyina ye kokuhia ode to ye nim se opese ogina me de me catch ni pi wonanim me catch ni pi say me die say Dr. Baumia else wo san ko biodi a me ntumi support o and also wo ko bio nti me de me support the out ntumi fam support ma me de me support ama Dr. Baumia nti no me de me support the wunya jai de wo ye no I told him, me say, I saw what I'm making. Then call for on your monam ni nyina no. Omu nyina no mu nyina te hobi. Anya say me ni me edupe. A group of friends. Emudodo na no edi na chi sisi no. Na omu nyina te hobi. I told him say, jai de wo ye no na emwa. O discuss mu a, o betu scan agukwa. Nti jai. Yes,
or say this
onjai me say nyese obi na ka kire no na mete me na me ka kire onu I told him in his face nyese bia telephone so e wo onu anim ka kire ne say media me support o madam fonu minu akuma no menu na e bibia politics ya ye koi wa boa mi wom me ka say wo moa mi wo sika famu a na me boa na me nka no kore wa boa me ye nam a ye koba yi se ahokire ba ye so a wo boa yen ya ye ne titi ye ne otiti nyina dam se hwehwe ivo omanim a omde titi ho obia wa boa obie ni ho a wo mboa
but wo say ni sika
na adwuma we no enye wo dia enko
what me hwe nanim ka asase mo kire
me say kofo na omu di na chi se si yi no omu ye former MPs and the certain MPs ye omu di na chi se si yi opa free obi a sasemi a make enye me ni me pe omu nyina mtete obi
so mani nko ho because wonye mature to hold that position and now only abilities and capabilities to lead the party and I idea
bro hini asema me ken se me boa enye nne da hoyi o call me constituency fi se me o kokeken we ye the cody president and ankofo we bre complaining about the way we see eye niema ye ti da bia ye ti say one support me no and yeah, I'll come after you. Radi Yankopon. Yatini nyina, you cannot deny. Obey deny area publicly. But I'm telling you, say, these are the things are yeti. Entinum, not to say one fish.
Right, but when say ubetimi akọ constituency bi abato mpɛso bi so MP no betimi endorse obi but delegates your constituency probably bi ana enya ba bi MP na ni kire no mo hwe
aye possible o me achiase me ntumi family sense me bo say I can get 100% for Yoruba Baumia but I can get the majority for Dr. Bawumia. Enti do oko constituency bia mu nso a ekwan bia so obi ohwo a oye young man na ho ofa kwenti obeto aba ama no nti no untumi nka say obia ento aba ama no I know they out, but I can tell you say majority of the people who vote for Dr. Bawumia because in some na ye can yes to see us we from we are also going down will be the deep dive no you go to the electoral area to put the constituencies together in the electoral area and then talk to them. You know almost din komo. Na say Eastern region ho no. Yewura Brian ehonye ne dia wo. Ono no pese oje ho say ne dia. Na obi amfa man no.
O ka se honye ne dia. By extension then apese o ka on free Eastern region na.
O free Eastern region. Na say o free kro bi so adan no nche kro no ye wo dia. Ana o free kro bi so adan nche kro no ye wo dia. Ena region ni nyina no untumi nka say region e yawo dia wo dia say ye wo mo ton ma wa na say wo mo e de ye wo dia yin you are a political person obi so wo ye politics wo fi Eastern region obi so ye politics on fi Eastern region na aka say region ye wo dia na ye wo dia say ya kam na ye dia che wa na say ya ton ama wo.
Yes, abusuan samwate. Nsem no mu ede. Sawate o. Sawate. Yesi panyini ana akwada nipa desani. So fiti prekope eka so be pose a emoja ena efiri osimu eba abonten. Enti de bra champon ye no. Nemfiswa e de ma de oyo no ena papa ye okasa oye papa panyino wanyini ne mfie wani mu sene bra chempon party no MPP party na da ho no wadi akire e chen bra chempon enti de obeka fa party no ho no he knows what he's talking about so obano okachiro say oni constituency ne kasa omo di nkomo omo nim de omo ye deep dive actually we say they are actually working seriously for Dr. Bawumia enti bran enkopenda ben and obeti ase na me I know I've already say Brian ne Canada Japan omo afasa contest way as a World Cup almost spending millions and millions and millions of cedis. At the end of the day, they will actually regret what they are doing. Because they will be left alone. They will be left alone. Because by doing what they are doing, they are stepping on a different toes. Omu tietie ni pahodo omo na so omu cancel fund the chire ni padodo. Omu emma respecta. Ewo omo ne nipa binu muntam ewo MPP amanyoko num no. Enam sa contest wenti no. Sa respect no any relation ewo omo ne amamfo ntam no. Ni nyina sa ayi ni nyina konkakra. Ninyina ne say one support to me dia ene che say you metamfo say one support to me dia na che say unye miwia so I'm not here with you miwia nana Kofi Adu sebe mo akwa papa san koso no ebe taso akoso ankopem 31st January ebe say omoni ni padodo ntem Omar Abdul Bashiru Diallo me mo akwa papa ena miwia muba achim Omar onso mo akwaba sane ma we ebe say omone nipa dodo omontem at the end of the day they will spend their money and they are going to lose a lot of friends because papa yi ka say your kan o say bra wo ye me nipa wo ye madam fo me na wona nam ye twibom but in some of how okay can't no ochina papa no after this competition no so one kopana chewa he will not interact with you anymore. Now say you are going to lose good friends in your journey of your political career. Anytime that you want to be helped to get a kind of a position anywhere, this man will not come and support you because of himself you're arrogant. Now, kokabi mayentia, mimia Idris mwakwaba, ena mimia Kofi Frank so mechia pa mwakwaba. Kokabi enti enswa, you are also what? Disrespecting your own colleagues. One kasa colleague, only a money parliament, only a money atra parliament. Apart from say we are rich man, we are very wealthy man. You know, nobody can take that away. But we are saying you know, and yes, you can hear BBO. There was some places be or her, Brian. Upon all the money that you have, you cannot succeed there. But Ebiana Papa Yokasei, Ira Kofi Ahenkramafo, Onumum. Ebe to me awura sa danum sa office num ama bi ade bi a ohwehwe won saka me ya sameja si mo akwaba but so gusu na wo ye de wo ye because you feel say sabio won samede and am sa sunti your wishes should become what them call duties of others abra waira, and this is what is hunting Kennedy Agyapong and acheampong. Because omu feel say because of so omu abua nipa binom ewo party ni mu dada ntino their personal wishes no the omu wish ma omu ho the omu pese omu nya ne omu abrabo mu no ewo se emeye nipa binom omu duty emeye omu yenka ne say dying for tio minim kwa say mesia kan duty kura say ne second duty wotwi kasam. But acheampong can Japan believe say so more Ghana for binom MPP for binom in some competitions binomwa that is automatically translated to say their personal wishes and their personal ambitions should be like a duty to those people omo abu omo dache omo abu omo dabi na sa na de tena wi ase ubo obi entina wato na ni monyam Ubu obi ana ne kire se waje ni na adwene da ne tima ana ubu obi ana ne kire se nipa no ntime nwene ma ne ho ana. That is not the way that we live in this world that we are living. The poor man has his own mind, and a rich man also a one ankasa ne own mind. The poor man ne hobbies, and a rich man so one ne hobbies. Rich man no ne choices. And a poor man no so no a war no ankasa so na de bay ne choices into choices no it should not be my duty and me ko fi adunsi e ka kire me wo de wo hwehwe no eni kwan se be me masede me da so pa me wia eni kwan se be masede Timothy dan kwa me makwa abapa why here nyina yam MPP for why o de ewom so wo sika o but wo sika na wo no ene nkyere se wo akoma so ade no de wo hwehwe no emma meye me masede se wo se de tie bia menye ma wo where on this world and asasem we wo betumi aka ama obi atie de aye adwuma. It's like in shorten it said the can't any pass you can't think for yourself until you cannot think to choose whom you think say he's the best man that can lead our party for the victory. And it says also that so there and can the vice president here or then a tour forms edema all the delegates in the country. Go catch them say me my top forms are mamo. My son so am 30 Ghana cedi for each person. Some fanya lolly fair and comra. And the son that musumu nyina monto mame. But a mature politician will never say so. Now, you know, I always tell you, say, some people are emotionally not intelligent because there is this say, the best way man kese me control amanfo, but listen to me. You say the best way to control a human being, and say you will not let him feel say you are controlling him. Tebi yepa kwampapa so obetumi afa so ahwen ahye nipa so anase walidi nipa waye kandifo de ama obi amamo akoba bi no ene so be mana feel say won share ne so because who say wo share ne so a he will run away from you because human being are we were born what them call disobedient. Enti de omo ye nyina no say de me adrusu kan it actually shows that they are immature in politics. And they think say their word is, and he says he thinks his word is making him the best candidate, not his brain. And he say what? And them sikabi omwanyanti a omunye mature in politics intino. They believe say sikabi omwanyanti no. Sa sikano etimi qualify omo. Say omoye the best candidate for the party, not their brain. That is what we are facing. Enti Brian, yanto bwasiama ho. Yeah, back Kennedy so. And now we are shifting to Kennedy. We na Brian Kwandia. Afeni yako Kennedy so ako kan sembunu mu America afeni ebe kenjakum. Enti Brian Acheampong should keep calm and act like a mature rich man. It is only through mature attitude and obetimi acquire some respect from people. Only the level of your worth. But if you want to go this way, through arrogance, through forcing people, my brother, you will spend millions of money on people. By the end of the day, the people will run away from you. Nobody wants, yes, a master. People want to interact and relate to people who value them. Temi yepa enipa bi apese obenya se oni obia odi buo emano oni no benya yenkan se interaction oni ne benya ayonkofa oni ne benya yenkan se intact oni ne betumi atu anamon but enipa me ba won chen a one underestimate me because you believe say you have the money. So with your money you can pay me. Yeah, I will do what I should do to get the money from you. But as I will do what I wish for myself. That is what Brian is going to face in this premise. Don't let nobody lie to you. Say Brian Acheampong can get whatever. He won't get nothing. Say your eastern region po. Any area, empo no mo boycott to me. Na campus obeba bono manim. Obekwa asanteman mu. Anasa obekọ ga. Gamanche. You can say ma infanto. Temi yepa. Because we human beings, every human being don't want to be underestimated by human can. Because minim se de me ye nipa no saa na wo so ye nipa enti se wo sika se den me ntumi ntranse ma mfa wo sika wanya no emfa nye den enye ho gagai wo me so ana se wo mfa nka me nhye dabi especially saa bre ye me kogina ballot box no ma wo nka me ho no hey I will show you pepper because that is the time that me to have my what them call personal decision to make. Nobody can question me. So Brian should learn something from this and start acting like a mature man or mature politician, because I think he's a mature man. But a mature politician. And yes, sir. Say you to abani we are on so babon ababeke kan sembunuma one we are nkoye. Because the way that they are doing their things today, I think they are just preparing the way to lose much money. Yem person mo be yebe na Brian ebe ya de be ati say.
Kwabra. A bokabu.
Poka. I'm trying to press come country just for information. Throw up.
Okay.
That's unfortunate.
What do we do? What the power we are seeing from okay? Again, not way it. Not way it. Could you be?
Oh no. Empty.
But this party.
Empty was.
Almost one Mamanaku. Nanania. Miss Woman and Kanswa.
Yes, enti say nkrophobia and here moniama year after the election, they will come out and cry this way. Say sikadie, ya should be a gupa. Sanso na ebeko. Say the nemani sikono. This is how it will go. You can't change it. It is done deal. Now, what we are waiting for is about 75% for Dr. Bawumia. That will give us the strong convince to show the so-called aspirant among 30 MPP party and say, you are no man in the party. We want 75 to show to them, say, MPP as a party is bigger than any individual. Either you are Bawumia, either you are Kennedy Agyapong, either you are acheampong, either you are Duchim, either you are Kufuor, either you are Nana Danko Kufuado. The party itself, is bigger and stronger than any of these strong men in the party. That is what we want. So it's a party in this idea. Transe now they bon crew chira man for your home victim chira man for nothing can change because the party has an ideology, principles, and a way to go. Yeah, CPP for the yep community mwaka pa. Yeah, CPP for MPP no. Yeah, CPP for. And then NDC for. Yenye bukata. We do politics with intellectuals, intellectual mindset, dignity, integrity of leadership, well-being of the society, and yet personal enrichment and as a personal wealth and into part in woho. So all of you are monama moye moho, whoever you are, because you have money, your money cannot buy the principles, the ideologies behind the UP tradition. It's quite different from what you people think. And in the you can say on the Kwame Nkrumah second born, Momanin Kononko CPP presidential candidate. Obia ni hokro person me CPP presidential candidate. Mame ya ntua, mame na odi ntro, chibi twa ntro more than everyone in this world no. Sa mame no. Ono kura no, wadwane afri CPP, enti se ken opa, odi onko ho. Onko ho. The presidential candidate no, a open door for him where he don't need to compete with anybody. Now onko Kwame Nkrumah ideology no, man nko nanim. Enti ha ene ye de acheampong nsem no ebesie. Ane ye wasem fufuro bi ka. Papa na ye fe ne Kennedy Agyapong na ne ho asem ene ye wo ka. Na before I go to the video in question no. Ye nyina be kan se papa wo ye di kan ba abontan be kan kire MPP fo ne Ghana fo nyina se. Oh no. He's not going away from the party. But the Obayani say he will do whatever he can to remain in the party and make sure say Obayani Obayete party no bema party na so far. Other party now go through situations are any comfortable for the party. And I think say the man is doing exactly what he promised to do. Because in some papa na sha say okekano, I think say ebokro ɛbɔ amanyokuo ɛna ensanso ɛntɔ asom ɛwɔ kwan bi so ɛna ɛma abanyokuo no animonyam a sabio atɔ Ghanafoɔ etim no ɛso te paa because nsɛm na papa na ahyɛ ase a ɔkeka no ano ɛhye ɛna it does not represent a party a yɛn nyinanim sɛ yɛ democratic party whereby the majority carries the vote and the majority decide for the party. And they say also person made the party a Democrat. A party we base on the majority wishes. Now we say, what dear, who feel say you are being threatened, people want to kill you, people want to do this and this and this to you. I think say you are not making sense at all. And I want you to listen to this man. When he started saying, say, he was not going anywhere. But what he's going to do is to make the party suffer from his own utterances. Here we are. Then we go to America. The New York meeting. Really?
No, it's not true.
See, when we need 4th November now, or free MPP
Condition. Yes, I mean free, but met you.
Wow, party.
Yeah, met you.
So what? Ono ana numuton o sese wanwene a onko ba bia obetena party num na so ti party nim a ni main duty the main focus o de betena party num say obetete party no adentia contract sembi no man koyie sika bia no hwe ne nsanka yamfa djuma bi no ma no all these things which does not make sense. Say party in him say it is not necessary for what you get personally, but it's all about how your party can, create an environment that is suitable for your people. That is what a politician should think of. But in Kayako, say Kennedy, his personal gains from politics. Now, listen to this video that what he said here. We are near US video no so. If
all the executives, the current executives, if they don't lose, I'll form a political party. All the current executives, including Yabuabia Samoa, if they don't vote them out, I'll form a political party.
To what end?
To what end? Abro. And the name of the political party will be Abro.
Yes, and this man meant whatever he said. And he's actually doing whatever he has promised the MPP party say obey. Video be in free US.
So tonight,
Endra. Yes, second agyapong akopiem ewo New York say. Only the MPP for more New York kudin komo kakra. Na wa tone the message ediama New York chapter MPP New York chapter say I been me delegates we are connected with other delegates in Ghana say omonto abamano na omra medi party na nim na busia edru ba bi no papa no na utie nsem na kan se de na oni obi eko entro enkontompo bosre muka victimization. He's acting like a victim to something that does not exist. Now, say we have men who are living in a place called America, and can normally know we expect to see men with an open-mindedness, some kind of intelligence, be due to the fact so we are well open to the Western world politics. But yesterday I was sad enough to see, say, whilst this man was making these utterances, there were men, yes, behind Kennedy Agyapong. And there were men who have been living in the American politics for a very long time. na omoje they enjoy that type of utterances and violent speech against his own party. I was very sad, but I was able to listen to the video well. Got where there are some things, or the whole video is a bullshit. I mean, can be true. He spoke for about 43 minutes. Now 43 minutes in agyapong kasa, you know. Everything that he spoke about were all about his words. Ni hunya wenya, ni sika wenya, how people even underestimate him because they didn't know who he was. Ni cold store, ni steel factory. That is all about. But when he came to the point, say Osenka, or addressing the people concerning the party, plans and ideas you work, say over to me, they are building the foundations of the party. I'm a party, Nababeya Kono. I'm a yet to me floating voters, and even new members to come and join. He turned that side to be a war. And I'm saying, way. Does he have an advisor who advise him before he goes to speak to the public? Does he believe, say, a party like MPP, people who are involved in the party, Jimmy Fuana? Because ono ankasa no kasa duru baabi na wutie na wasan ama ne ho punch kese pa wa boni ono ankasa boni na nkokom na wa hwe ase because okasa duru baabi a na waka asem foforo na wasen aka e ti ono ankasa ne nsem a woka kire ono. But I don't understand why the New York case, the Yankees, all right, the Yankees were there shouting and praising the man, and I was like, wow, are these people stupid or they don't understand what he's saying? He was actually saying to you people, say, I'm lying. I'm talking to something that does not exist. Now, man for a budget so no dear tem now intimidate a man for na o create discrimination among the people of now, man for a budget so now or create division among the leaders of the party with them. Why should you have to be like this if actually your intention is nothing than to come and lead the party in question? Kennedy Kasano Edruba Bia ono ankasa tumi kama se woye badwemba na wotena sitie de okana osen kasa ekasa etia ono ankasa ne nsema ogusu oka kire ono na de ya ne se otumi kasa sanso de ntitimu ne ntitimu ba nkrofo na omo wodam no omo ntam etumi sanso ligina mpo sanka setia omo enso na agyimifo binom ejina ho ebo omo nsam obi se yagye ye de o se yagye ye de yenso yagye ye de I New York for yagye ye de Jimmy. In any case, let's get deep into the Kennedy Agyapong's video. I know many of the people in this platform, no, we are not we don't hesitate, and I say we don't have that wishes. Say you be taken in Japanese speech because of the utterances, but I want you to determine completely say this man cannot lead a party called MPP. So minu nyina wo de yem fa yakoba nto yem man ko nyame wo ha na ye ntie ni video na ye bo video no na ye di nkoma na wo twere comment na me so me kan ma na me so me kan adwene na obi tie ye na o ye delegate he can make something out of this video ebetumi amana adwene asesa e de abaye wura ba omia ne camp. And don't go anywhere, be with me here and let's analyze the speech. But now saying can create a kind of a foundation be a base be my party intimi enyina the nine so. He used that point to destroy the party. Papa we now yeah almost say to Obama Kennedy no ba enipa 1.7 no mo ama meto aba no mbese aba abeto aya na obi sam say okay na sa 4 point something no mo to ma ba o mia no so mbe yo mo ho dan awurade nyankopon sa ko ye ndc ni o min to me hu ba be papa ifiri. In any case, Jesse, Sammy Jesse said, is something wrong with Kennedy Japan? Yep, me, I say, hi, Ras, you are the best. Thank you, my brother. Yenti Kennedy Japan in some okay.
I'm grateful to have my party leaders here. I know some of them are under pressure. When they leave here, they will start calling them. Now be bold. Yes. Be bold. You are in America. And you allow somebody in Ghana to call and threaten you?
Theo, listen to first thing. Listen. We are one party, right? You want to be an aspirant. You are an aspirant of presidential candidate. And now about America say, you want to talk to the MPP US. And to need DNA bounty. Obi owo Kennedy Japan camp. Obi owo acheampong camp. Obi owo yenka ne sen yawadu twim camp. I China juma ho aba wona so so oba betie won sema wodenam. E bi mpo no kura betima asesa na adwene ma na aba wo camp. Let's just take it like that. Ube jina ho a you are telling the person say omuye ahufo. Hey, Papa, we pa. I was saying, tell me you. Ube jinawa. The first thing you are telling them, they say, "Omu ye hufo," because omu feel hope. You be free omu nti omu nye boat. Now, what you say? Nipa no omu nye boat. Omu nye mature people. Omu nim di omu hiha. Nka ye kan se wo ba no. A omu ni wo camp no. Nka omu beba ho ana. You see. When you underestimate people intelligent, you make them very furious. Asem no kan nyina ni o, se mo ye hufo. Musuro nso maba. That is when we say you are disrespecting the intelligence of the next person.
You are in America and your own colleague in America will threaten you for supporting somebody? How?
Now, yo, as I'm the Emmy or say, what the American I have Ghana treto and I say one cassa or colleague on anywhere America or treto. In which manner? Crime bands on the fast word to me treto. This is what I want to understand. Na papa we you jina ho so your sofo. Who? We osio your sofo. We you jina ni che we osio your sofo. Akwana I said cross down in namu no. Or your sofo. And or dan want to say the niaji. What kind of stupidity at the higher level could this be? At dang. The party has an ideology. Once a man camp no, a man for Johnny a free camp by yourself. One can say your personal expressions, a man for Johnny free camp. But you turn around and you want to intimidate people who were there with you, telling them so muya who for or mu jaiman nipa binum shell muscle. And if when I say binomoso. Now I want you to listen to this things awoka. And it's on Casa no. Now what Chilo said the Okeni Biana was just to victimize himself in front of the people. But Obwa Yenti.
Supporting somebody? How? We cannot use timidity to develop our country. We got to be bold. Speak the truth. What is wrong is wrong. What is right is right. That is the only way we can move Ghana. We don't need dictators. Let's have our rights as human beings.
With your mind.
Why should a man born of a woman picks a phone, calls you to threaten you, and you chicken out? Be bold. You are also born of a woman. Let's face the truth once and for all.
Yeah, bro, I have something to say about this, but I don't know why these guys are crapping for him. Because in any way or the other, the only person in this, young can say, in this campaign, and say, we can say this election to choose the flag bearer of the party, no. The only person or conducting home as a detector is nobody but Kennedy Agyapong. And I'm a boy. The entire American Papa, when they don't make us to Abama me by force, I didn't tell my top bus at the ama, my top pickup at the ama party. Papa, when they don't make us say, 1 to a mammy, Tino, I will come for you. I will let you lose your seat. And if you are talking about someone Sabi you or conduct to the home as a detector, I think it's you, Kennedy. It's not any other candidate in this race. And second, if actually you feel say some people are threatened, nobody, there is no delegate in the MPP and now no kasaya or you threatened under anybody. So open nipo you threatened, any who are their persecutors are. And he said, John Mahama is threatening Ghanaians and especially your party men from talking. When you're serious, when you're serious, over country say we cannot beat the country with timidity. This is the time that you were supposed to say, MPP for Munina Monai so Namon Kasa. And the John Delegadra Mani Mahama and Sem Fata. The only person I want threatening Ghana for ne. How threatening MPP for ne. And in the NDC made government who is avoiding and trying to intimidate everyone from talking. President Yankasa. President Yankasa Timothy Council says, Okasa or TikTok or Facebook, yeah, the IP address Babacho. Who can the Poko America or say MPP for any boat? To do what? To speak the truth. The truth about what? About the premises. Kennedy. Now, I don't want to go to conclusion. I will tell you, on your serious, Papa will wrong, on your serious. I believe that sometimes when he talks, he even forget about himself. Because if you feel say Ghana, there are people who are threatened. It is the MPP people that are threatened by the ruling government. And on can want them because I didn't Russia or two. And on can and Kwasiake can you have to victimize himself to be a victim of nothing and all open. Who is threatening who? And you na young Kwasiako. And you na catching a man for and I want to a mere Maywadi. And you na walk kind of one time a mere May will say me news. It's you that are threatening the delegates. Yani a man for Casabra. Delegate for no. Yani a man for Casa Yepa. Hey, your constituency will be called we are called through Holland and Crow for code through home. Must say, on 1 way near we. So 1 to a more mobile D. Obey a flag better in the party. Obey yet the obey be you will not come back to be any official for the party in the whole of your life. You are the one threatening the people, and you are now accusing others to being threatened by people that you can never mention their names because it is not true. We are contemporary. Ken is talking nonsense in America. Yantu asunu yinti in common.
Enough is enough of intimidation. We'll resist every individual who will intimidate us during this election. Yes. No man born of a woman. Yes. Will threaten Kennedy Agyapong and I will chicken out. Never.
Obviously, nobody is threatening you because you himself lose worry. Now you know what? I wonder why this man also your software or to me Jim Nehosa in public like that. I really can't understand. Yeah, can nipa or threaten a man for his Kennedy. Do you remember Baumia? I will show you down. Akufo-Addo, I will show you down. Do you Ghanaians remember? Who did that? What is the difference between threatening and this? Even when the MPP was in power, you were someone going around threatening them, say, you don't know me. Hey, I will say everything. You know what I'll bring out? I will do this, I will do this. You have that character of threatening. Dr. Baumia message, a simple. Makobi pain, matomiache, enipa ni me. My way, intemon tuaba mame. Nobody is threatening nobody. The only person or a manner of doing like threaten is Kennedy Agyapong. But Yantuma saying in speech no tie. Because asem we ya can hai say obibia ne ho betumi atrete wo ma wa ba ya akoko be piabon anasa obedi na chi sa akoko no. That is even form of threatening. Whom are you threatening? You are the guy threatening people. But you believe, say, your followers, and especially, so that high fan for Kennedy Agyapong, no, they are senseless. Many of them are senseless. They do it because of money. Hey, and then I stick a video, my he is supporting you. Your plan is about me. I mismanage Ghana economy. But on one kasaba bontin and then about the country Ghana for you said that it is never true. The economy was crapped down by COVID, Ukraine-Russia war. But on that do it. Ask yourself, why is he following you? If your principles are not the same as his own, they are using you as a cash cow. A cash cow. You are the cash cow of them. Ye do what you in February, 1st February. We are now you are three and one free home. Now we are all going to join Dr. Baumia. Yan can say, if I'm saying coward guys, no mudi what you know. To me here when you can occur and no mudi what you. But after January, they will tell you say they are for MPP and they will leave you and go because when I year, baby, their life depends on politics. And I want Kennedy to understand, and then Nkrofo to understand, say, if we talk about who threatens others, it is you that is threatening the whole party. And you're fair, what will you also be threatening? Who is threatening you, man? Get out there, man.
Whilst we are calling for unity, we are asking for fairness. Justice is not in the interest of the strongest. We are not in the Plato's ideal world. We are democrats. We have to tolerate each other. We can have variant views. Allow everybody to express himself. And at the end of the day, we make the decisions ourselves. We will not allow us to be cowards anymore. And what surprises me is my Ghanaians abroad.
He's talking about Owusu Bempah indirectly. So this man was talking about Owusu Bempah. Say the MPP chairmanship, general secretary, as issue statement say they need the Owusu Bempah. I didn't Owusu Bempah ti abontene. Can say MPP for any moral right. Say you be demonstrate against yan can say achichia. Sabio. John Mahama na buying achichi MPP for. And to not defend you. But the same person, can say, it is not right to say, Yebeka will be in a num kasa, Kennedy. But Bibi how? Bibi how, pa? Bibi how? Because you don't understand between the line. That is your problem. Let me tell you something. Also, can pass young people before we don't have the right to do what? To demonstrate or to protest against achichia ekos wagana maimu. Direct to the MPP people. Party na wosu pesomera media ni mu. Kwasi ampang ni way sorry you wosu bempa sorry ya osidia bay. MPP for any moral right to demonstrate against that achichia any gadam say yo. Esan kan sama mu edro the TMPP party no. But who can Japan to imagine say Sabio we should not live in a country whereby the people are timid and I say yakan nipa ne kasa boashe. Temio say I was saying bold. One MPP is being bold, the NDC is oppressing the MPP. The MPP wake up to demonstrate against that. Your Kwasi Ampong Odiwachi comes out to denigrate the image of the party for being bold. Now what's your chow? I bet you now say, I didn't hear. Yes, ye na free. On a coward. MPP don't want coward men like you and your guy. Musu and this is weba mochintino. Makama no atum. Na ye kan ye nsema. Masanso beden. Ebe say ye nim edi achire this because I say tentenhuro etua woto. Tentenhuro kese pa etua woto be papa kan. Tentenhuro tua woto nti waka wano atum. But ye mu binom de yanji contract ya yanye enti tentenhuro entua ye nto. Enti ye beka de wo ho de achire Ghanafo. Jo Mahama nsemfo no ye na ye beka. Okwasi Ampong no wusu bempa ne begina so ye MPP ni and he's condemning our art here. We will tell him to quit the party. Free party to say hopes and then he can say whatever he want to say. Because who him say at all. Him say sabio and this if what all. Because you can't say afibia baba to aba and this if what we MPP near opishikadi na ya tono na ya use to go against the party called MPP. You are sold out. You are sell out. So that is what happened. And Ken, you are unconscious in your statement. Some statement, okay, Kamboma, it makes no sense. One kasa ukasa send it your words. Ukasa sia, ubekasa sia we no. Now one sem na wo kano. What denigrate the sense of your own expressions at day. What is wrong with your mind, man? Come on, man. No man born of a woman should be intimidated. We should not be coward. We should be strong. By the end of the day, you are mocking yourself because Obia with the critical ears and sense, we understand, say, you are just joking. Now, you want to talk about us, the diasporans. Let's go.
The diasporians. Yes. You work. You feed your family. Nobody sends money to you from Ghana. And they got the courage to call you and threaten you and you chicken out. Wake up. Be bold.
In fact, one thing, you are no menu. One as John Mahama and one as you, Kennedy Japonian MPP. One, diasporans na yawa bonteno. Yena diasporans, no Ghanaian diasporans. No. We don't care about what John Mahama want to use the IP address to do in Ghana. We keep on talking. We have never stopped talking. Second, we have choose to talk for Dr. Bawumia. It's not because somebody is calling us to threaten us. So, hey, let me tell you something, Kennedy. Maybe you don't know. Maybe in Saudi or camp there. Only omo mukasama mudin munisa was opa. Utrasika de mawampa. Yana yekasa in favor of Dr. Bawumia. We are not paid though. Hey, we are not paid by anybody. But do you know why we do that? It's not by threat. No one is threatening us. No one is paying us. We are doing that because we have seen something in Dr. Bawumia. Maybe you don't understand. The job I memi kwaku ameti ha me ye demand Dr. Bawumia no. Yem frɛ me baby ma misika o. SKB TV on na dance ni. O de frɛ no bisa no. Nye nsɛm nyina na yɛbɛka na bonten. Ebi mpa ye na ye spend for Dr. Bawumia. Because ye fu ene ye denam. Ye nyemwa emwa mponche enwan mprako anase nantwie ye nye bi the diaspora say ye nye nwan ye nye mwa ye nye mponche no. Anye ye fu ene ye denam na mom no ye nipa nti ye dwene daachi bi no. Enye de ebedi ene nko an ye dwene ho. We think about something bigger for us, our family, and the next generation. And the reason why I kasama Dr. Bawumia ni say, kakrana Dr. Bawumia exhibit ma yehu ye no. Ama yehu hawa abrofunu babi ayete na omo so omo ye omo niema say it is the same. Me, for example, I've learned a lot about the development of Europe. Quite almost how they started. Because GSS na SS na, they will tell you the history. They will tell you every history. And you know, at the end of the day, you know how even car koba krano. The first time omuye car koba. Na omode sabio sre pana na omochichire ede car koba. They started from somewhere. ID card we kita ye nei ewa brochire ha eye plastic before na ye pipa kakraka bi say e no mode be ye ni book kituo bi and na ye plastic but they started from somewhere. Enti diaspora na ye hu bibi no ma eti say no na ye hwede Dr. Bawumia ye hu kwanya how important is addressing system in Europe. Obi ba ye o si da bi, let's do the addressing system very fast. Obi ba ye o si da bi, let's do the ID card first. I know how important ID card is. Obi Baya knows let's give access to senior education first to everyone. Mahusa Bruchra Menami. Enipa onko school kuranya ne SS. Enti kan yema we nyina boma diaspora na yadwene ye adwuma na nye yafu na ede nam no. Yesis yehu se the ideas and the plans in brain na wo papa ne mu no. It is to lead our country to a different level. That is why we talk for Dr. Bawumia. Any pressure. Any pressure. Nobody calls us to threaten us. Said the Okano. Mami Diana, Saman for Fro, etrete wa kama minti na me de, yen threateme. And even Sankama. Say, Amon for Fro trete so akana yentie. I mean ya. Samija sinso. Chawagin, Hebiana ye Fro treto. Yep community. Mr. Wa si yetrete wa kama yente. Ena Idrisu so se wo hoyi MPP from painful freo frifie etrete nso a kama mente. We are doing all this for Dr. Bawumia, not because of neither for money or for threatening. The entire especially like I can talk for myself. The entire me say I've seen something in Bawumia bigger than the made in there. Me constituency that gets here kasapa. And I know what is going to happen there. Because last year, you will see what will happen to you there. I'm working because I've seen something good in Dr. Bawumia. So man, keep calm with your works. After
all, we are in opposition today. Nobody is feeding your family. And when you want to express yourself, then some individuals will call and threaten you. Let them take your visa from you. Even when they threaten to take your visa from you, you still live in America. You're going to survive. Exactly. So, our chapter chairman, the only way we can build MPP is when we speak the truth to ourselves. Without that, and surprisingly, what surprises me is when you look at the physique of some individuals, and because of positions they have, they call a bluff to threaten you, and you chicken out. Wake up. We establish MPP USA.
Enti wake up. This is what Jimmy Moya Moa na mo bomb some. Chairman na oti MPP chairman na oti hono a obepenyansa sembia tie free team. The reason why he should lead, he should support you no. Osi wa Jimmy on sorry onya na wona dwenem. Man na yakukọ ema obi. Ebejo officer, why? And then I had the build the now when people tell you the truth to say, Pebabitna, na yamaba omi anko ne mfa nkoji to me na wo se wonti ase, but you are talking about the truth. What is the truth? The only truth that is about the MPP today, and they say you are a Judas in the MPP who want to destroy the MPP for your personal interest. You can't say no krenchiro I was umpa enye ho na wodwene. Because what you don't understand Canada Japan is that the truth may not suit you. The who say it true or sad, you know. It may not suit me. The who say it true or no, it may be lies. So what is the true are you talking about? And so Dr. Bomia Bayan Chereyana. Oba party no Chereyana. Is that the truth? We know that Dr. Bomia joined the MPP officially in 2008. But that does not eliminate his candidature. Say something more interesting to convince the people to know, say if they vote for you, you will build the party base, not personal attack. And to me for pray free Aqua America could the MPP US chairman for a term, and you feel proud because Jimmy Fobinum Titiho in Kurasi Fobinum Oba ye one more brown envelope into a one who your mother and a mobile also. Would you call Jimmy? Now, at the end of the day, no, the delegates will show you where the power lies. We will show you down. Sana delegates in the back country. Those in
the helm of affairs, they have not even gotten a visa at that time to come to America. We will not allow them to intimidate us in this country again. No more. If you care to know the history of MPP USA, it was started at Flatbush, Nanaya Boachi's house. Ask the man over there, please, can you get her for them to see you? Yes. And Pancho, they came after us. Boachi Jako, myself, Kwame Usu, Dr. Amwako, Nana Boachi, himself, agyapong, Adum Berua, yeah, Mr. Boating Yonkers. Where were those chairmen? Where were they? We are not. I'm sounding a word of caution to those who think MPP USA is for them. It's not for them. We are going to challenge them. We will challenge them and let them know who started MPP USA in this country.
Papa Way, that he has something and a liar. Oh, I was here. No video be I want to find the video, but be a Japan expose this man. These issues are one of funded the MPP, USA, and whatever. I will try to find the video before this video finish. In contemplating Nabraba. Dang. Face of channel. Was he absolutely said nothing about what he can do. Onim campaign yo atrocity name violent speech name kwasia keka na papa mu a so yesofo. Papa wo so yesofo. Obi kan kwasia asem na ogina ho ebo wo nsam. Wani age. Huri. Wafu se ban. Wafu ebo wanim se ban. Kakra yetwa ma wadi ntino. You are not reason as a human being. Mr. D said this guy can spell garbage and telling lies. Yes, he's the king of lies teller. I will try to find the video where Kwabena Japan exposed this guy concerning the beginning of MPP in the US. Na yenti pa. You wanted to say something sensible to convince people to vote for you. You wanted to do I'm a man. Kashi na bukachi na danduruwa ere na okoye no ho but Jimmy for na bo mun sama ma but enkrofo na omoye delegacy omoye nyansafo omoto aba no they will felt what them called disrespected, and people will show you for that. We are not
cowards and will not allow any individual to take MPP as his personal property. It will happen.
Abusianfo, in this manner, Sesane can say we will not allow anybody to take MPP as a personal property. Dear Kennedy, your attitude shows say you believe say MPP you would dear. The way I will you are actually telling Ghanaians to say an MPP for say MPP party you dear. Because you are one man against all the people in the party. Abra wunimu say party ni nipa ba akufo bi ne kokoso ade na ye de amano. Na mom the collective decision na ye di gina so ye bibi. Wona onam na wo ye ho akesesem. So it is you that want to take the party as your personal property. Make you also shall see or send be obeka be we no asan kan tia na ho. Oka no asan kan tia na ho. You say hey, asem we dey mean to me kan. But in any case, ono a na ye na ho. Ye ntie na ento ado.
Whether here or Ghana, no individual can take MPP as his personal property. People have died for MPP. People were killed. People lost their properties. They lost everything they have. Where were they? Where were they? And today, they have the guts to call people and threaten them. Let them dare and threaten Canadian Japan. It will never happen. We want free and fair elections.
No people died, lost everything for the MPP party, and you have benefited from it very well. I Edward chair MPP for $3 million. And Crofona mu issue or mumojagu, you know. You were not part of them. That were the fathers of Dr. Nanado Danko Kufuado nom Abrefa Buzi anom and in Crofobino or Moakamen Kai or Mudini. And Crofobin Papam Pain Fobinuma and Coupon for Mukransia or Momen Kai or Mudini. I Quabina Japan nom papanom I Abusian Fobinuma. Sabio ye kum omo basabasa already in school kum omo now to UK to taxes abrenum. And what are you actually talking about? You are just a sole beneficiary of MPP 100%. So don't go there, my man. Who is threatening you? Now who will be able to me threaten Akufo-Addo when he was a president? Who will come and threaten you? No
Nobody can intimidate anybody. Even when they were in power, they could not intimidate me, and not today. It won't happen. But for the sake of unity, I have swallowed my pride. I have swallowed my pride for the sake of unity. But they shouldn't take me for granted. It won't happen. We all have a voice. Who speak like men. So if you are here and you are chapter chairman, be bold. After all, what you lose, you have your job in America. They also have their jobs. They don't feed you and your family. You feed your family. And when you have problems, you don't go to them for them to solve your problem. So be a man. And let's build MPP party again. God bless you.
Picture way, I want you to look at it very well. 1.4 these men were the big men of the party. They went there to go and listen to you, not because you are their boss. So it was just because of honor, to give you respect. Say we are party aspirant and awaba, so they are coming to listen to you. You went there, you started shouting on them, insulting them. They said, some of them are for you, but you have denigrated them. Some have said, about them. Onye papa, he was not even able to convince us when we came there exclusively to listen to what he can do for this party. And to win in some Kennedy Kokane America, a Jimmy Fuano Niaje, Airport so, say Kennedy, a Kanyan Sasem, and Kwasia Samonkwa. Now, Yenti video me, we are not a far course, no. We are not a far course. Yenti Gordon Orchard or Gordon Asaribediako, and Sembi also can at the fan, Sama Kennedy upon Kanye, who you pet na my picket course. But that one say, Abusia, but me like a video no. Na washen so unsubscribe ya bomana so be subscribe na phone say ya domano so se le bambala for we to be come ho momenkoti Gordon Asare bedi akomra sisia
ya ban no be bo asansa bra esele na kufu ado no dota ba me aban ne baaye no o ma mu obia hwe na mo kolo o mu jafie basa ba we sorry ya Ena Mikope police will be police recruitment. Yajin 25,000, yajin 15,000, yajin saying we ko pejuma wa ha we nya we ko hinfa we nya abanya na mu nyina so na mo se muka hu aban na mu nyina muka hu ebise na kufu ado aban se obo asansa bra dia enya mu mpanifo na mo so bo asansa bra wo Sana kufuadu ndo taba mi aban no so mo anhwe party ni bia dia enya mo sam panifo na mo se wo aban ma mo kasa no etu sa mo anhwe wo bia wo party no mo anhwe full soldiers bia na all of a sudden ena mo se mo pe flag bearer position nti no mo yusu na kufuadu ndo taba mi aban no as cannon fodder. Mu yusu abaya na moye part no as cannon fodder. Unconscionable. Enye papa emphasize moye sa. All of a sudden, mona moka the ills of the previous government, the so-called ills. The so-called ills, the omission and commission of the previous government. Government and we are members, we are part, integral part. We are money adodode say cham. Ya make a chamu. Na enam na kufu ado aban inti. Ya 8 years na mo ka ho with the exception of engineer Kobeje Japan. Ya nu trema mu nyina mo ya akono. Ya mu gidi se mo fata. na mo say mo be di party nanim. Trust me, and yes, and Nana Kufuado be a president, and a mubi munya kwine, ebe servo, and then Nana Kufuado abanya. And come to me, can you never dream? You will never have dreamt. See, when Nana Kufuado abanya mubi be servo for 8 years, you will never have dreamt. Say, over to me, I can say, me call December flag bearer party. No, never. Take it or leave. That is the truth. That's the stark truth. Yabeka achiremu. Etimuzu so painted picture, bad picture of Nana Kufuado abana emfata. Mu ye yesana na me imagine how Nana Kufuado efili in his retirement as former president. Say 8 years. Wama mu bi anya do 8 years. Na and you are the same people out there demonizing his government. Now compare police recruitment. Now we be 20,000 and Nana Kufuado. Obi kwaju 15,000 and Dr. Baumia. Obi kwaju obi 15,000. You need to know, does it qualify you? Does it make you qualify as flag bearer? Hey, what I'm expecting is say mu contesting. You fadin bako. Doctor say you do chum. Oko round. Was a member deputy minister for education for 4 years. MPP for regional chairman, secretary, police station executives. Why? Party for na the mujo mo vote no. Member emu 500 ajuma monka. Na minister for education for 4 years. Yeah, Mississippi schools be across the country, no. Emu be 500 schools are missing here. Emu 200. Me de ma national chairman baako, me ma regional secretary baako, police station executives amu wo atwema kwa ngoma, mu amu wo ensawom, mu amu wo aduagiri, me ma wo mienu, tell us catch ye say, wo mu amanemu gyan o manimi. All of a sudden, Nana Kufuado ban essay, no virtually useless government. No, tell them what we give them when you were in power. Tell them. You should be able to tell them. Etika doctor say you do to Nwaka, and the same schools are kesi so university because Bruno. Ministry schools, no, make them constituency chairman. We mention one person's name. Some of them are constituency chairman. With my police station executive way, with my coordinator way they see, and when you are also then the MMA, the constituency for mention their names, let us see, mention them. Like we Agyapong, so sorry. Mekwaya board chairman, Ghana Gas, 4 years. Police station from a foul omunye. Huh? Regional chairman me man the contract wo honu enie. Regional chairman ba me fa na dwumam enie wo munye na ka wo so akeka. Wo na ka waka chem mama Stella so say me yin so ekoye board chairperson, Shippers Authority and as a Shippers Council. One so ekoye board chairperson no MPP for omu free agwesum. MPP for omu wo etiwa east and west, omu wo obuasi east. MPP for more Samra boy, yeah, me yiri no ye board chairperson. I was Shippers Authority. Also the man, a jumo di ma omunye. Na contract wo hono na ye 20. Omu chair no ye mu 50 ye di ma MPP for chairman we die nie, police secretary die nie. Do wo atuma ngwa bi eja. Police station you know, hono so nya we. Monke kan no. Na ko wie. Then not Dr. Acheampong so sorry. Me Dr. Acheampong, mesme baye na me national security bibi en confirm me fa wo mu e wo national security adwumu no ba ku wa ha constituency we papa sa former constituency chairman ne ba we me na ma ye fa no national security na ki abo esem hia owi oti be free one ma awie o na na ku for the session man mo nya mamba be ye agric minister me baye na Dr. Efiya Koto at the plan for food and jobs part 1 about we me so the plan for food and jobs part 2 e by second phase me na me de baye na ya no MPP for kuafo ya me ma omu anyuma me ma omu bode me mo mu koko mo mu banche me mo mu eni omu so niye yankwa ha se duma yakwa bunu yakwa hafo yakwa hene yakwa wisa ni yakwa hwe yakwa bogu yesa ha penifo we mo me under my stewardship as Minister of Agriculture e Ghana under na kufu ado aban me na me ma sa penifo nyina omu kua ye no e koso na we police station agent we na ka wabobo wo be wie no I can apply for food and jobs. No, send 10,000 a benefit here. And so we know bear 7,000. And you should have their names. Mention the names and let us see. Mention the names. Just give us the list. Poko constituency bias. Sa constituency mijina. Constituency mijina has say pay. Me na mu yafuo. Me be ya Greek minister. Planning for food and jobs. Incentives na wo mu no. Enie. Say na me de ma constituency we mu for. Enie. Mention them.
Abuja for my be phone lines na to so to me friend na wa kire wa dwen. Midin ene Mr. Mafo ha a Ras Media GH on YouTube. Mr. Unsubscribe you to me subscribe now be a part of the family. So na say unya emfa wonsasi adoma no so na wa subscribe a meso se fonsasi adoma no so se de be ya me ba life ana me di video tuma wonso no ubenya bi na wa ye den na wa hwe me da mu nyina ase na ebre we de em se aduru mu nso so mu nso se mu nso no mode mu so ma dwen kire e ba be supporto ensem na ye ne mo ache no ha no afa no oso ba na nso wa kire wa dwen de wo dwen e fa ho na yede agudie no amana ye fe kama ene mimia nana adu nsiase kudos Mr. AM. I simply wish you can send me this live recording to pray. You have done a good job. Yeah man. Yo, of course. Thank you for congratulating me. The video no what me kesa me sendo very complicated. And my man said that Brian is confused. Yep's community said Ken didn't say anything about what he can do. He is not serious. He's full of anger. I see that. Mimia or say go and read your caption again and correct the errors you have made. Oh Mimia. And then Mahuni Yewa, Mr. Wa, maybe university student sometimes I can make this bit mistake, but yeah. Important is the clear message that we wanted to send, you know. I clear. Sansona Charles Lee Stowell so say with this attitude you cannot be a president. Mr. D so say this guy can spell garbage and telling lies like that. Yes, until we know and a year commenter now ba mankind. Mamenchi atwene boa Ben Steven ewo Facebook Cecilia atu ahene mechiao ye pa Ivan Sankama kofi mechiao tie Frost ofei mechiao Asari Nicholas mechiao na Kwame Idol mechiao nso ena Alpha Damu mechiao Cornelius Kujo nso mechiao ye pa Mimias Sanara Zak nso mechiao me maame no leader nyakon mechiao ye pa me maame da na pia wonso mechiao Tajuden Mohammed wonso mechiao ye pa yeah and yes yenko yanim na enkan comments kakra I think said these comments I have read all of them abuso ampese men sense usu biem na men kan kire o say platform was so pese wo mo ayen on support to yen say yadwuma ye wo fe mi yan kama kofi mu akwa bapa yadwuma ye wo fe na so person support to after subscribing no betumi adjoin the community now what choose any amount of money a person farmer platform we every month it start from $1 or €1 up to any amount that you want to give so that is for you Yemfa the first caller. Sister Evans. Mr. Anthony.
Hello, Honorable.
Ajabe Mwakwaba.
Le Joshua Nyado. Me bo abaso pa.
Me that's me.
So ho ye de.
Me ho ye pa na em said ye wutie ndi so man ko form.
Me man ko form kwa.
Yeah.
Pacho man ko form.
Okay, afraid the voice na clear. Yeah.
No pacho ho te say de.
Me ho ye pa Nyankopon adom ho de no.
Enne wabodwuma. Okasa nyame nsira o.
Amen.
Na me man kwa ahode wo mu, o man kwa tenten.
Amen.
No man nyansa. Na de metumi aka ne say. De wa ye ne no. Bro nti ase so. We said last we said me beka say kana Japan. So di ka kasa first. Na obu anafo a why mistake. We de man san kasa bio. Obehu say de ma wo kan na ayini nyina wasan twatro. Enne okwa Americans mo kwa kan nyina. Sebi nyankwasa asem na kwa kan. And you on Jeba be also yepen kabomu.
Aye.
Jamaica me bo aka chense me bo.
Ethiopia, o kan sempa Ethiopia.
O ko in America na so o kan nyansa be ne wo mu. Nyansa sembe pa na kana Japan. Ke anema na wo ye na ade a wuntimi nye no. Ade a wuntimi ntro no. Wuntimi spare no. Eni kwa sa odo ho koshim. So anema wo ye nyina nyansa bia nim. Na ba force chinchin no a say ahaye we. Adwumam na obi ye kapa o say ya ma obi beto me ya ma ne kapa nti ya de nti de kapa ma obi ntimi so sla say me for my what be that
e bi nsikurada
adwuma no woni adwuma na ni so de woni adwuma no ni so wa ba no ne de ama no a o say ya o ya kana Japan wo ye nipa bi a o ye kontompo ni won ka o say wo start ye no na obi a first na me giri di pa o no me fancy pa aso eniema was start ya wo ye nyina tum say sebi nyansa ni na dwene na nya dwuma na de to so mienu no so abronye wo mie nyina ku ekotodwa ni mu ada bia me kasa so mo ye mompa ye mo ne pa na nya me ma ne nyansa na o ma na hoden hwe abronye kwaya ofo aso a expose kana Japan no obi antiasi o anka ye ma ne koya nim pa 2026 ana ka kana Japan eyi anka obegu party no
onka ibedro na wase nanka wase ba bia
was no di what say no office obi ntimi tak no obi ntimi say ana babo kai no Peter was nyango na me moja ana eyi akiro na meja wosoro no ana eyi akiro so wo no Nyankopon tias for ba no nti abronye Onyankopon na eyi no adina ma MPP for say kana Japan or ye destroyer or ye kontomponi on kana kura ba kokora he asofu yi a no mu di atie no mu ka phrases ba ya ne ka ho asem asori be na wo Ghana uyi Church of Christ for ba ya na Church of Christ for yi 1 billion de koma another say on fan support o man ko bom empire ma do mama nkola ye bai o so be empa wo de ka pre ba koi
dabi ono opebi kura fra ban ho
and Church of Christ asofu edisika koi 1 billion e de koma another say takura de school a 1 billion when you obi aka pre but this another say the MPP for the way ba o money 1 billion you say me bua no on kan kire me aso fu yom ko bom pa ya mo pe envelope yi o ha na de sika so akosupport nkwala no adidiem ene o mu busu tom ene o bibia minia aso fu no mo nka no kure ene ka Japan so e free adwala ko no so abronye say aso fu no ogu o mo anim ase ene no omo say di dwama machi no ba expose o mu nyina abronye o se Monday nyame mankwa no wo chenyampa obeba asofo no kwa ka so ko begu o maso re nyina no odi ni nyina beba ni ehu kana Japan ni nkontompo ane atro a wodi so wo sika ma bie company me 7,000 workers ka ni nyina wo boa ni workers a wo nyina enu 700 kra the radio station o mo ye duma ho nyina bebre nyai aka twase no de ma wo mo aso be dina ho anu kan no wo yi wo ka we ne kana Japan kan and asem we ne adwene nya dwuma no na adwene no se se nya dwuma ne e je ti ko da ba bi fufu anu asa wo se ye penka bobo wo ko America yi enso aka yi bia nyansa bia ni ha na tata wo o yo campaign fashion yo campaign na kwa na wo ko tata wo bi Dear Tosso, Abua Pape, Messino Landio, one at the same Mugabe, Marcy, and another Duma radio station back. Or doesn't the boy on the country?
One
Mugabe, Marcy, one
Mugabe, a friend is Aquano yet more power FM no.
Me see, one of me and another Duma, who I had to say, radio station back, or landing. You are semi boy on the country. And I want to put here. One this in me, and why a pataku, and what do you join your journal? On kind of crap, on kind of crap back, on your Santia to me.
Yantobasia.
Over go.
I bet Yantobasia man couldn't see some agogo for a dim troman can say, Mr. Man can.
There be me cancer, me see. There be some can I want to see.
Me too.
Miss Waya Santia Chimney or Fragogo.
And that's a unimuno. Is that what you want to say? Okay, sorry.
Some make sense. And yeah, my course, a course, my agogo, I Santia Tim Hormon, Agogo Hormono. We have people in the Bia movie, and then I say, a control chronicle, a coini, a seat.
Okay.
Yeah, course, you know, upon the yes, I am.
Okay, I feel a matuase.
Obi radio station, side radio station, two more Hollywood, and I bought upon the choirs I am. And did they make yourself? I was Santia Chimney or Frago. And when you be a kind of cramming in the power.
I see.
Missy Landing, one day at the same Mugabe Marcy and another radio station back. What they research. Now, who said the American or the Crown America? And I bought upon the say no to be in the free party and the MPP from penny for no. And so we in the free party. This is what I remember boy or Baba say. Tell the Bible can or see will be or Bass will become will be we are not say. And I bought upon the more than a year pa people from penny for no more than a year. When you need to be or you're honest on kind of crab back cry. And the dear can say, I say, and they are free. No, or turn a baby.
No,
and this is for us to get here.
No, could you
and take a decision where ye at the same Parliament House or crown or ye for free, but then to me, I am penny for who you more yet. What for doing with me a day? Oh, no, for my CBR, all at the Mamugabi. Omo committee be on me be on the Mamugabi. Me see. Only Mugabe and a radio station ever. Our landing.
A Jumana no more or more Kunditia MPP.
No more Kunditia MPP.
Okay. They are more Mosha second some €45 Nanado home when he was trying to win the election, right?
Yeah, I'm not starting here. Mr. Landing, this will be an because social radio. If I know, I want to say, I yow, and I know the name I have fresh. Your friend is Sakodi. No, so radio and about radio. About radio, say our MPP, Nanado, Meboa.
Yeah.
About radio in London.
Yo,
about San Radio. Honestly, I don't know, so I also come out MPP. I'm saying about social radio. I don't know, Mugabe near about Papu, we say so almost so ebo yegumo. And about Papu, or you be a or your MPP ni. And when you be a MPP asem, or your contemporary papa. Woman and him, and you might say a from Kaya. And she are I hear the say. And from our fire, Ebuasi. Only Papa, about Papa. And MPP for some penny for so they make a chill money say. Come and come to Cassiano, I am a interview no the do Musono. When you be a MPP for some, it is almost corner interview more, almost Mocasay. We do see here, no be a baby. But I see me bring a Michel. They say no, Namibua higher now want to miss a crabby and Miss Mania Biano. Mission Betum, to Spain, I'm their bro.
Medasa Pamia. Yamen count.
Miss Medasi be sort as it. Oh, Pella Danny Bo. For an answer, a papa told the other way a car seat in Konya and Paboa bed. Bibi up a piano. You can't hope MPP, Nami doctor so bar. Police for soldier for Pabuano. You bet me in a Ghana, I'm in Colana. Or Monaco school, no, I will share, you know. Or you bet me in a Ghana. The following morning, I had a cramp Pabuano. every time aba no eno so yenso benya emfaso ameso ate ama West Africa countries ni nyina na Ghana fo no ba befa police fo soldier fo mpaboa let them be omo pebia no me sama fo ha me mesro ha yensa beka na ye de aba na mo de ayedwuma na me nshira obia sister esa wo se me chia no bebre na me nshira no why
wa chire wate me da se pa nya me kan so ho Yemia Anthony, I am the owner of Tony May Enterprise. Ajuma mu yenyi na so moton leather, high quality leather, ye di free teri aba. High quality leather, ye di free teri aba Ghana. E wo kantamanto. O call in tre. That will be sister Esther. The only be a sister Mary, sorry. Mami Esther udin ajuma nu. Yesi dia asheso obu the asheso akuma abuso na anoka. Mami udin no abuso amamaka. I'm sister Esther, but I wanted to see sister Mary. Ma kantaman to sister Mary ohwe na obema leda papa na what to me e dia bo adwuma. Yento anso na mfa ye mami Esther so ne call. Message so nyan subscriber na subscribe na don sense ya doman so say me the video tum na me ba live wa ubenya notification. Ha e Ras Media.
Mr. Mafo.
Mami me mo akwaba.
Meju so me nua be ma te sen.
Pacho ye pa na nso e.
Yes, what my hope so be a free.
Yeah. Ene de na.
Share what TF nyina me ma happy Sunday. Sem kola no ho ye.
Obia ho ye pa me da se ma. Obia ho ye.
Madam ho ye na.
Ne ho ye pa, ne ho ye.
Yo ya chia no ma me why.
Achia.
Yo. Mr. Mafo.
Mami.
Me bisa se. Baby papa no ko gina ho na o kasa no. Na enyansafo wo ho.
Me I think say they were not. Omo na omo ho omo enyansafo no omo nyina ye din.
Because when oni pasa wo dwon ku a, MPP fo mpanifo mo ma dwene mra ha. Sa wo dwon kuo ekuo no ye wo ade a ye de beto wonim sa ade we ye mpe ade we ye ne si ade we ye mpe ade we ye ne.
Yeah.
Omo wo ayi bi da ho a em se ekuta sa ade no.
Yeah.
Hwene Canada gina ho a wo keka. Senyansane bi ewo mu a wote de na Canada e kana. Ade abapa na nipa kro no fa free sa asem ni mu. Obi a oso obelidi mu no wakwaje to me. Excuse me. Wakwaje to me di abram. Nyansa ban ene ababan na wo fa free asama Canada Japan be ka kire wo. So what you say? What for plan who abaho asama okaye no nyansa ba kukura anim. Me ka se adwene wo ho. Wisdom wo ho. Nyansa so wo school so nyansa wo ho. Asam na okaye no emfa bia ho. Eye wish Mr. Mafo. Obi a wuso kwaji to me e dia man MPP. Everything I work out is about you.
Yeah.
What to me boss so e ka delegate osi ahini to ahini say. Me Canada or hini e Japan. What to me e de me ba adie say. And this ya some what to me ka bi.
David. The ekosu bia ye ma no.
Where me appeal at ya to osi ahene etu ahene anim say busa wo say so we 20 years we 30 years we add 20 years ne busa wo say in 20 years by this time where would I be? So me party ni power she ekrom ha ayete no wo Mr. Mafo wutumu bi tunu de ekọ wonni sika kora mpo na Mr. Mafo wonni sika wutumi free.
Yes.
Me phone bi bebe bi asa me pa iPhone me free. I want to Ghana na se me to iPhone rewa me nti over 1,000 and 2,000 pounds ko to iPhone na me fanya den emrew me free no 24 months. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia said, "You never woman and never him."
Nebi wompa.
Thank you.
Kokumanum no monkwasi akeka.
Thank you. You can say, Abrochre, you thought that it depends on your age.
Yes.
So we were 20 years and now we're 25 years. Almost the 25 years, I can't say. And fear to do send a bit to me either. So what to me, Chiamane brosa. Fair enough. Omo one negotiate here. But that ubenya 50 years, no what we are done kaya day. Every
Yes, of course.
Sa adie we ne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia you man anani.
Ne wompa.
Thank you very much. And now say Ghana for Mr. Mafo. Ghana for no binumu. Minka so omu nyina. Any bre person ni nkumunya. Because chedi ampon Nyankopon animu say me Mr. Mafo kutade na me bipa me busa say Mr. Mafo ade de me fo na ato we me ye dwumadene na me de ato me mama nim bre o da say me kokun ba enne modern Ghana ewo ho no ahoye nti wo Mr. Mafo kutade na obi po bekun no ade ade no.
Yes, of course.
Ebi na wa MPP mu no me pese me busa kan say wo ko gina ho no want to me anka ade ne hihye ye dia wo ba wo betumi ayama obaburu bia no wo gina wa ade na se owo 20 owo 30 owo 50 say in all add 20 no add say kan ni age wo say enfie duonu be to say no na pra bot say wan kasa wanka wona wo se wo business wo business ideology no kra no want to me am wo dawro Ken I put it to you and me dina onyankopon obo be ba asase so say and sama wo ka ye nyina wo bo wa obi antrate Ken so obi attracting wa police station you akwa report Ken wakwa akwa report say MPP for mpanifo ebi mo trate wakwa Ken Sani ebe to bobe jina ho ka say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia say MPP for mpanifo bi say step down no ebe did say $8 billion as a thing Ken ya ka 800 million ya ka say be continue pakron what to me aba it shows that you are not a man enough just to me if I won't kwasa Ken yen to me if I won't kwa akrono ma won't kwaje ayi ni mbraye eti pa baby kana wo ye koshini na wo ye trofo MPP ni panyi bi antrato neither you are attracting them
yeah
kuna pasa de bia wo di MPP form panifo twitwi form sa wo si asem we ya me ka me boa bra never challenge me wo threaten amanfo say wo be mo wo mo lusu ampan wo diskan nam ase e man panifo bebre lusu ye do you think they are stupid me busau yes obia oginyankopon di bia no ya me abodie bia no can be at the trunk. Mr. Mafo, yensa tia na ekuta ye no, yensa na ekuta ye na ye didi no. Are they the same?
Absolutely no.
When madu konti nyame bo a boss answer, or person what wu nipa that's an say. We cannot be equal.
Yeah.
Then you na ye peda. And ye wabra boss yo be bunu no. And the bema why day. Why you only true? Now would the wisdom would tally a chair? Now would say, a dear way, me pe, and a macrofuna, me for me theatre, me pe, another word be ya upgraded the strength, ya me theatre.
Of course.
And what journey? And no yansa, and no conding, and no do my den to her, over to me a day. You can achieve it.
Yes, of course.
Over to me and your guardian. Shall upru Posia, a moja day, eba. But foot to a person me did catch a delegate for one say. Busa will say in 20 to 30 years by this time, will life at say it depends of the age a wukuta na hwese se kaniba kan ni bibia ni behavior ni dimi na ni speech ni kasa extra John Dramani Mahama ni bibia oye bia ni attitude extra say what the to me extra Kennedy agyapong sama hey kale yesi wonimu wa shena ovia eno beka na no wa ma speech obi di no kan wante shena nim ewo ayi no so shena nim ye no wo ye nipa kro no sk ebo won ni show so na me di me kokromoti akoto aba ma wo behave that kind attitude that kind character ediatrem na me di mani ahwe Mahama ni NDC for etna Ghana TV station media for na chi ema wamukika and some 45 MPP I feel sorry for some of the media she sika ho ye de be ma wo be di awie but what be sa wo ho say media kora ba wi asana dache and now 20 years by this time mini wa me ben obeye den nti da bia na ye di envelope brown ebe seminsem na menjune di odi development ebeba wo bisasa okujata brokwa Sam George kese wo sankrofo baby mu sharp teeth and some small betra mu station ekeka yenya go back play your mind go back na mun play eniema ye beto aba sankwasiafo woni muo we ebetra mu station mo keka yen is that what they are providing for you?
Absolutely no.
Ye bisamo Ghana TV stations for amuho. Is that what they are providing for the nation? Che, what tonton madjone? Nese yenjai color coding of the parties for no. Niyan to me and me yesia diasa guya num. Any adjune na media pay trino, a trina see a corner sonum. Niyan june ya money dache. Na de bia ye di politician chi wa bette kakra ashe every per month na oni power ebiem besaba
ebere na aba
satam no na bia ya die bia wo hie sika wo request as a big money e dia ukọ no a on feel because oni power biem want to me anka ade anka wo so wo ye na protect wo ne wo ba protect wo ne wo kunu wo family kitwa na wo kuta no want to me anya adwene na eda wo trim na esi wo kwanta no so a wo di ti console na che no want to me anka wadwene antre ni pakon ya mumbra brochire mumbra ITV1 mumbra BBC mumbra Sky TV obe pusa question o interview onu no obusa question.
Yeah, of course.
And the nation are watching, the world are watching. Because want to mean bribe no. Bribe ba na wo dey bribe no. Na wo wi ada chwa ko gina ba bia kan. Look at Sami Jamsi oko TV station. Hwen sama, man bia okoka no wasama man no. Omo yi ni free TV station ho for. Em say ni din me ba
kwasi che no da bi. Oh, sefa kan. Sefa kan
me bu man nankasa. O kacha wo say entro obi di ntro de fa ho a eya otumu bue na no ekasaye na mebusa mo se mu media fo ni nyina no sika na mo je ya na mo ton MPP edima NDC no so wo nua bia a wo tie kurase a wo na wo ye ne provider mebusa wo say wo ye ne papa na wo ye ne bone ensuo kurampo omunya nom ese na nadu wo ho nso na galamsey ne ensuo ne tio
Yeah.
mutumi mankofo we musum kwahye akire eton MPP aban just because wa mema usika na wura fi say ejanka bi da mada bi efie bi mu anaso wo home bi mu a yehwe no but he can afford to go to school free montumi andwene saa de we amankwala no mumma celebrity for bedada Ghana for na mi betua mu nyina muka na domu so omu frɛ omu hu asɔfo no mesamafo sɔfo bɛ ni wɔ Ghana sisi a
akohwefo yi
sɛ 100% ametumi akasa 1% pɛ ɛna ɛyɛ the good people a omu betumi agye akra de amenyankopɔn they all are scambers and some full criminality tongues and the da woman atro katrema and the dida asofo na num wo pass see am ne wuti yen na wonim obi a sane be me fan say 1 billion kokokoma no adeti a obenya nkoma ye den
ashama
enso no oboa o oboa just because we say 1 million 1 billion da bi mu say den eba Ghana for do not deceive but all these false prophets wanna omugu omanimu no because omudi ye omuhu ye omudi ye shepe omudi toka kese omu boast with cars no unamwa dia emfo omunkwa baby o na wo de bia na wo twen asase fa wo bo menua obi anka sika nye but fa kwampa so na fanya sika no fa kwampa so na fa ye adwuma listen to the voice of MPP menkasa MPP ya konkono but cast your mind back before you become 20 bia ubako media no so read how NPP started ne hwe se do omudi pempenso a omudi Ghana yeden eko every day bi NPP ba ebe ye Ghana ye na NDC abatwen akomochi every 4 years bia NPP ba no ye omani ya musi na ado anye hwe na mahama wo ho na no wo ye obedi 4 years no na mo wo wiem sanhye esai wono yeso onkoto bi mrakwa ewiem sana tabu no owi ahu sika di ye owi ahu sika edi ye mahama ni baabi ye ni de wono ema no mwase be hye se enhye emfa mahama ho nti Ghana fo ye maame mo amuti dwom a moton ade ye wo fa mo nwene na mo du o ma ba wiase no mo nwene nkura ni dachi o na mama yakasa bre adan eti wudi adwene no wonni bi da wutrim eti ye kan na wanti a wani susu awunu se ye kan ye na wanti a wani no susu awunu am wan pre obi ambusa se maso no enti a amani enwade etisai mun kan onya hwe and NDC for deceive more from Rollins and Breso up to today NDC are still deceiving you guys and amuto and amudu mun sasha mu demiri fam and amu hwe wo and omu jimi wo kro no so mun tumi nkasa makama no ato and the Ghana fo mpanifo a ya beto aba nyamama sam ifreni masam omudidi tie MPP enemu wo hi bread bi wo TikTok o si na na adu nyankopon de etua moka aye hurry up
yeah
the doctor to etua moka nso because obi ye bibi ma no want to me and danasia and fa eniema fon anensam keka emfa nyina ye na na adu wo 82 na nado owo 82 mahama wo say mahama a wono kwa wo ye yanga kokuta young for adwene hwɛ Jimmy a wo Jimmy wo nkonya no so hwɛ de o Jimmy wono na wiase sika nyina mahama epe mahama wiase agapade ni one ne nua Ibrahim mahama omo pe eno mo aka mo nsa ahyɛ mo damri fam ena mo san panifuo wei enkora yade ebetie si Ghana mo bumani wahwe Nyankopɔn wo yanim abumani aguso emre bi me be kan ye say Juni sofo bi say mo amudi manusi cathedral ho no mia me sofo eka ho obegina ITV you can say adum TV ho no oma preaching anopa cathedral ne de cathedral de e come di nipa mi busa wo Daniel wuso asiama mi be chawo shada mi busa wo cathedral ni ho na adu wansi cathedral no sika no so yesi enda ho mi busa wo papa osofu panyini sekana na adu si cathedral no ena ko jama o ma na enkunuma national park enye ono na abesiesie no ati o ma nanim ko si cathedral na nko okon babu bo ase ni botom di akokade munyina monim aguase monim aguase because cathedral no nke be fetch sika e dia bo ma nanim munyina mutuma no edigu papa yi so mutuma no digu papa no just because asambia ebia na appointee bia anyenti no ene papa school no ni egu no school no anye bia no oma ajanka bi etumi ayede ekwo school ni bia that wode bebo ne bra eye Ghana tax yaso so wa mobilize sika na ankodi at least for the kurana MPP for this Ghana omo de bi hwe Ghana for mahama bible so me nkunu na hin no de ahwe Ghana for ahene sabe ya musu nchaji ni pantentem bible kuraka was say obi busa yesu say adan wo hia ahia for or say the rich will be there and the poor will be there. That's what my father said. Eya brabo ohia be ho ohia ni wa be ho sikani so be ho but wo si hia ni wa no hu brabo ye a wo betumi ni sikani edidi na Dubai school no wo si wuti hine kurampo na ma wo ba ntwusu school anu wo pe na motimu fie ena na mo twusu school no de mamoma ene masalai musi wona mu onyame onfa mo bone ncho mu koto dwani ma mo kan kire Nyankopon se onfa mo bone emfa ncham nyina obroni for bow down your head in shame mumani wu adia mo tu ya mo pa so 3 years academy no I got 3 years and 2 months as a 4 months 3 months ba chinwa katua asanmo na owusu bempa no so a waye nanim se ya bra ye obeka so obi afuo mu kwan nanim ya se mekwa ya kam be ma ho nanim sa mo okua aye wanu se ayi fiamo wo se de ayi wonu wo kan mu mpa ba bi ntena wai yente mo ayi kura onyansani owo Ghana awo kuta adwempa ebendo no mu se wankoto aba no tie mu sa ensamfuwe o tie mu propaganda wankoto aba enne the best way dey abono Mr. Mafu na do ban wo siska no de won be to atade ama wo ba no to wo de school fees no 1 year so wo de me fan say every year bia na 20 million a kasi akwa no be wi school no enyeska
yeah of course
so enam say ani bre minim say sesi ade sesika no ye di siesie kromo no ayi president for ne ba no mo chama o ma for na ne mo fa ye de mra ye yo mo cha ya mo fa ye de mra ye ne nso ye fa nkoma charity for no mo fa de bi because a kura ye tichire who can what better America for how many years Mr. Mapo
Bebre.
So hwe said ya brofusie suom kuro wakogina o ma speech cancel want to me anka said ya brofusie suom kuro said yo mo ye ayi wonyina makoguo na mo bo mo nsam madan ye ndisi for ye di matam kura na mo bo mo nsam moa etoje moa o ba me de speech na okokoma ho no me de ma hunu so Dr. Mahmoud Baumia okwa abrochi no o ma speech ya muntie na mumfa mu aba na wisdom no abobbe ewo ni tirim ni esreche di ampo nyankopon okokoko nyankopon ade nyina sutumfo onyame otumi nyina hye ne nase wonu obi nchem okasa enye ho a ene beye empuna ne bepu oso wotichire wosoro metichire o metichire wasase so metichire onfa Dr. Mahmoud Baumia nyede embraye na odio o person osikwa biara no onyame entwa ne nkwa na so no dachi wokoba on titi obi a onyame de ne wo afra no da na osi ahini tu ahene na maka no 20 years by this I was 20 a kamotra na fa ad ebusa fe that time na wo wa bra bosa na tie the fokoto aba papa e fama wo future ene wo ba wonni ba e bia sata na wo plan so obewale koto aba pa e fama oba daach ne nyansa onyame ana wisdom onyame de ma opese onya bia bisa no de be ma na munja wo de ye disika ne brage e bia no mukoka kira abronya ejiga asisi a wo de ahoma so no mukura enze wati free no wakoti no ohia TV suma hu sika enya hwe ye nyina ye de nyansa to ho ye benya bi me de maka kire munkoto abapa na mubra ensimu ye mesamafo medas na menchira
Me da wonso ase bebre nyame nka ho
on council ya fra me wa mesamafo
mefro me wi a mefro why so unya na ide mefro
yo
okay bye ye mame esa na yete ne nka no ai akire mu ya ma pa mame amba nso e wo lie mame amba me mo akwa ba ye mame esa na yete ne hello mame
Papa.
Pacho te say
Nyame adum na wo hwe.
Nyankopon adum ahodene ho pa.
Yo ye de radasi that depend dey sha kwa na sa ba sha sebofo.
Yeah.
Ya papa Kennedy also or UK or US or kasa. Na mesi mo reche na chama oman ni nyina no kehia ne so abaabo ano da nyipa wokọ na bebi okọ na lempo no wale gina one nwa. Ihu da dan na lempo jama nyipa yi.
Paketua bi yeah.
What's it one ofa nyipa 40.
Oh, I see.
Inti say obi aka say inda no debi ameka de osoro nka na ye GBC 1 GBC 2 na say no nsi amba ya enta asam inda the 2 day ma ye wara nkasa self journalist na etsam abada wada baby awaka ha na nyipa 40 that means anyama papa reko na akoton ho da ma delegate nye wajapade ewo na reko ton da akire ho na ebe yen since me ekwe yo because trust myself.
Aye.
Myself no okon okegina ho no re papa kama ya iba iyem bamya ama oman na afa ne tampape from nzama akodo ono na ya hwehwe sese hwe school fu mofra obi tinkan orukọ tamale day obi tikumase orukọ central region day ima na maame na lo was oka hide na impa ma abofra always go di school fees no wenye bi oda hide na dia man Ghana abatanya Ghana for wohu hwe more badoso na damara na owodo oyem wohu de nsisa bi wo ho na osunsu show na osunsu awo asama aba Ghana sese worusu sese baby aboto oda waso wo nyina wo ko education officer de rekona akakadan ikona kegina ona kekema sebo kofi hwede obi da no reka gina report nyampo wo 200 Ghana san we slip na man ma wa hwe baby oboko na Brian so se wanya ne dan
Oya by force the eastern region for say want to abamo.
By
That's
force.
one in Uncle. Wala begin a work at the mini pana wabaka de, working about me and a working now when I say ya worry ya 1 year. Meaning that son of Damana no so say. And I was a kaka when ya know or send one another. Nim dinya to them what tobo. Na so in the watching and the Wara Maria ya, I'm a man who the change. In I was so Obi watu mwaba wenyim. Embra so awo da waka kasa papa. Na wachire subai papa. Osande se gwa to fie na usuba anya fia wo fa mam.
Dabi.
Ebusua biara enyi ho abofra otim na ombu ade okaskasa eje nja anya nyi so adan. Wo me fie japade wo de mando onje no hwedo. Ma ware ye no wonhwe no wonye ye. Na se enya ne nda ochena wo ho. Na wala sare gba am na abokwa akotom da. No no mbre ne so na wanfa ama wa. No no man kasa kra. Mo gbe na no no nkasa kan na chi di fo ma wore ye am wore ko wa no wo bo wa amuna abu papo se ba o mia wa be che 16 years ntonko na contract ne de ono de obiara obe moje na mo ye da ono ye ma wonje adam kasa na oba ya che no kwa ya che no wodi nyim dinyi obi odimu wodi no kogwa ono na woto nye da sisa bancha wa bu nsa na edire ko na akwa akoto no sanda onipa ne bo hwe papa ma odi kofi obama no fa so no ono na okwa obokwa akoto wonje akasa obi ala ton ne di ayiye wonyim oya da wore ye ndem nyipa nka ya wa ka nyipa mente do ore kasetia papa enkotin na kobre Japan
Yeah, kobre Japan.
ono no onom no nka ya ma ka nyina ma ye confused eba adi nti no nyipa kun ye nyina ne yere prade na mo ba sen ya ma ka nyina mo anyi si ono no do ono chere dem nkoye mamu no ru nkoye so mamu inda ti do so fo wusu be mpa so wa asoro wa aka no bi
Ai.
o say afi ma amaru kofom na nasa ban MPP baba no ono no ka kire ba omi ado ri na ne wie fida na le we nya ni chapru dem wo wa ma nse de nse gu ba omi anu dudu obowin na chi no hu do ye no ogwan no ka share NDC se we hu da ndama nkoye nti nasa ban no be ye MPP nti na in the yaran wa ma ne bag do no san wa be hye mu a mo kasa ye be pia ne de na ato nchan wore ngi ne bio no be ye me na mo bo mpa no be dia kokoko sam na so man mbra ne kire na odo tan de be saman payfo odo nya na nkoche na obo mpa e wo Ghana obi abo obi na so wa abo obi na president na ehu no wa ahye onyim nyama ono nti ama won tabaydo na anyi won ba mo ya aso na rukobesi ne fie na akodi fie na aka ya no wa akire wa edi ya wa party ama mo be siesie wi nde hu de ndama nkoye na ndi si funara so bia nsema papa ekikan ona meje de do akwa no hon wonji na enyi wonji ne ntum ndi si fu wonji owusu bempa ntum
so many so oye betrayer
so oye betrayer nti wonji ne ntum
yeah, of course
owala won wa ye wa de dada nyo wo de akahye sese ya akahye me party de opa gbona na je gezi na wo sha so wo sha nkom mpon won ka ho nhwehwanyim na edere kon ontra ni baby na oba omi afi ore nkon won ka jimpai bo biara MPP pay funa so won fu onansi from da owusu bempan wore nkon ho bio no won nya na nko na oye sofo nya meba mo nkunyim da nya no ogina won sofo di na ode ba mo ma ye nkunyim da aba won hwe no ye party ni na won na wore kasa abo apapo e party na idi enyim e ka ho ye panyin wom e ma repre da wo panyin edi na echi no omeyen ese mo won condemn biara na mo feli na se party ni feli ya no no ja monja amembu mo fama mama na no do mo wo ngwe na je idi Kennedy na echi ni di ni dan on pre nombre no mbobu ade na lo why obi ye mo oye won nyina wo by day isika na wo ba no wa ba hwe obe we benya bi we nya adan ya sisi na mbom yase on kwhwe ne ba no owa on hwe ne ba no mo tia lo ni gwas na no kaka kari na se wo tumen hwaba ema besia na owe no same wuku na ne dom no wogigi ska wodi kai no hospital da no yo gwas nya on kana no ntum na ne to bente kura inkuruta na tinhwehwe da musa ntoto abobai won mo fa do kware ye na kro ye won fendi party na nyimafo nkunyim dembra na won chende won ja de onyipa krotin no wonyina wokokoba woba na wode wasam obogu no dum nyame obagushira mandam oye nyina le wie peye no wie a won wara won bra sese na was contract ahura wogi wo energy hɔ wɔreba no wɔabɛtetew bi na wɔadwene wɔn dɛ wɔn dze wɔn a wɔyɛ wɔ aban no mu wɔbɔ NDC aban abawdo a wɔrentaa wɔn contract no energy minister so ɔbɔhwɛm na wɔyiyi bi afim osan deɛ ɔno na ɔka ho ma library ne bo na ayɛ kɛse wɔ Ghana wɔbɛsa wɔ esu bio so wɔadwene wɔ dɛ wɔ fɔfɔ ma wɔnyɛ wɔ hwea wɔaba wɔatwe wɔde toɔ na abea wɔde bɔ otekyi wɔde bɔbɔ baa owura madase
medanso ase pa ma me ama nyame nka ho
ɔnka wo so
bye bye ye ma me ama na yɛte ne nka no ayabusiamfo there is no call left obi amfrɛ ye nti aten sɛ me de mu besi ha na ɔkyɛ Nyankopɔn boa na yenya ahoɔdene a asan aba Nyankopɔn so do bɛma yɛ ahoɔdene ama yɛtumi aba nti meka sɛ me de wo hyɛ ɔkyena sɛ de yɛtie bia me ne wo bɛsan ahyia ɛwɔ channel we so na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ ka kyerɛ sɛ ha yɛfrɛ Ras Media GH on YouTube and I'm more live also on Canada Japan Junior on Facebook. Unyan subscribe ya. I will beg you, message or say subscribe. I found say see a doman so said be ya me ba life wa. Ube nyan kai bo se ma ba no abe join na nu nyina aye show no kama pa. There to asubiem. Se wo pese won support to channel we ya in one way or the other. Through say obeye join, but be actually subscribe no call in chen why ya treble be join. Ukreke sa bottom no so a obema guidelines obefa so obetumi abeka Ras Media community ho na obetumi support to channel we just a coffee per month or any amount that you want obetumi dey decide say sa sika wo pese on fanche platform we se bosumi bia no edura wo de beche Ras Media platform na sabio new marketing kitibunu yetime studio we want to have a better studio but in any case we are trying our best. Say your studio bet me aye fe kama. Emma sando sembunu marginal and so we are doing that. But in any case, that is what I have for you. And then me don't be see a me fisherman one man tem. Hi, and Joseph Kwasi Trimasin so be chair ye pa. Ono do see we need Ken, madam. Hey, what the okay can some more. I'm say my church abusiamfo nyina before. My church mu nyina me Dana Pia, Minya Idrisu, Yaps community, Minya Ivan Sankama Kofi, Sami Jasi from Hamburg, Face Off Channel, Dr. D, Charles Lewstone, Osei Owusu Ransford Prince, Fisherman, Mami Ama, Dr. D, Ena Mame Lucy Acheampong. Esanso Ewo Minya Nana Kofi Adusei, Hi, Madame Fopa. This time and cancer, but he has come back. Yeah. Muba Achim Omar, Kofi Frank, Umar Abdul Bashiru Diallo, Kurt Rajman, Stephen Apia. Yes, so ewo me mame nole danyako. Miya Panyisa Monokuno, Miya Kofi Ankama, Nana ya. Mame Esther K. Barima, Trimancy Adinkra, Jaben Evans, Sani Mohammed, Face Off, Mame Danapia, Akwasi Asamoah, and Bra Panini from UK. Aye. And never Shamfonina, Michacha Munina, Sane Razak, Tajudi Mohammed. Michiamonsu ye pa. Twene Boatin Steve Sicilia Tua Hene Evans and Kama Clef. Tearfrost Ofi Asari Nicholas Nana Kwame Aido Michiamonsu Ena Alpha Damu so Michiam. Michacha Busiam Fona and the Formunya Quenya enemy by a show way social media for the youth of Ghana. Oman Michiao Yepa. Medamunya Busiam for Semunya Brenia Dachi enemy. Ebe show way. Maybe a dear drone me don't be here. Yankopon poch ne be here. Until we meet again, Miriam. Adios.